Welcome to the first episode of Sanity Check Radio. We're playing Delta Green today. I am your host, Danny, and I'm here with my friends. Four of my friends. We're playing a homebrewed Delta Green operation called Operation Dark Green. And let's get right into it.
Then I fly in. So I'm driving in it's like, you said this is afternoon, or can this be towards like when the sun is setting? It's dusk, okay.
Dusk, yeah.
So like I'm driving over dusk. I have, even though it's very dark, I still have my Oakley military sunglasses.
I think actually it'll be more realistic if it's early morning now, because not early morning, late night, because he is coming in during dinner time,
right?
California time. You guys have to fly over.
Yeah.
So there's a time difference.
Yeah.
But
so it would be pretty early.
It would be pretty early in the morning. So he's probably
But yeah, it's still dark outside, but I'm still wearing my sunglasses. I drive up to the top of the pavilion. I see these two chatting. I park on the opposing corner of the building, and then I walk over to them.
I see you drive up, and I'm like,
what kind of person are we seeing?
Oh, actually, you know what? No, I pull right in front of you guys. I'm more like, yeah.
What does this guy look like other than the facial appearance?
So he's well built. He's not incredibly skinny or incredibly fat. He's just a well built guy. We'll say he's 6 foot.
Okay.
So
with army boots, he's 6'2".
Yeah, 6'2". Yeah.
Yeah.
He's dressed in. He's not dressed in like a like a bulletproof vest or anything like that. But he has cargos on. He has like a what is it called? The
flannel, the PMC look.
Yeah, the PMC look. Yeah,
okay.
he has a tank top, and then on top of that he has a heavier jacket on top.
In the middle is July.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
all right.
You're the type of person with jackets on the aren't you?
I don't respond.
Goodness gracious.
Are you guys here?
Can you
How did you get my message, my friend?
You were the one who sent the message.
What? No, you put it at the bottom of my freaking fast food bag. It's all greasy. Fucking disgusting.
Who else are we waiting for?
one more.
One more.
What is this man?
And while we're waiting, I'm gonna say I'll whip back in my car.
I'm gonna say you guys probably hear me before you see me, because I've got my suitcase with me, so it's like rolling. Badass windows in this empty parking garage.
He tried the elevator, and it's just not working. Tell the gang what's your dexterity.
I got 5 dexterity. So I'd probably trip and like eat shit to come out
Like multiple times.
Give me a straight dexterity check.
Do you want to do it here?
I rolled a critical fail.
It's okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It's 55. Oh, yeah.
He's a 25.
Yeah, I forgot.
Right. Yeah. Sorry. Continue. My bad.
So yeah, you guys just hear me before you see me, and then I finally see there's 3 people, chatting.
Well, 2 because he went back to his spot.
2 people chatting.
But I hear him coming up the stairs, so I walk out.
Is that loud? You can hear it through the.
I hear some guy. I have one of my windows cracked open. And I hear a faint noise of a Chinese man saying "John."
Yeah. So hey, is this the meeting point? Who are you guys?
I'm Luis. Are you okay?
Iris, did you fall down the stairs?
No, I did not.
You sure?
I'm fine.
I smell. Just smell.
Oh, tired.
My name's Cross.
Oh, so he walks out of his car now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Cross.
Oh, hello.
Interesting.
You will call me Cross.
Okay.
Alright, so since the gang is here,
Hope we can talk to him quickly.
it makes more sense if one of you, whoever chooses to be the team leader, was tasked with gaming out, your alien, the corresponding gears. So determines on who decides to be the team leader here. So it makes more sense if the one who has a car to transfer these gears.
So it's either between Cross or me.
Yeah, I was getting that vibe anyway.
Who do you think using Cross as the type? Since he's a captain, he's a leader for his squadron anyways.
Yeah, but he's not giving the vibes.
You fucking sons with my boy.
So who do you think is the team leader?
How about we roll for whoever rolls the lowest?
Okay.
The lowest or the highest?
Well, usually, because
you get the D100 to the lowest? Okay, cool.
Okay, roll. 50.
49.
11.
What the
62.
fuck?
So you are the team leader. Everybody makes sense now. That's why his luggage is so heavy. Not because of the shampoo or the face wash. So we see. Do you guys share names? Obviously, not.
Yeah.
I
feel like we did already.
Yeah, we did.
They don't know my. I just told them to call me Croc.
And then will you go by Warren or Dr. Drew?
Doctor.
Okay. So Dr.
And wait, what are you guys' names again? Luis and
Iris.
Iris. Okay.
So Dr. Drew, he has to bring 2 giant suitcases. You have no idea why he was bringing 2 suitcases. Now you do. He opens one of the suitcases, and in there is a set of like FBI jackets. The jackets with FBI sign on the back of it.
Right.
And 4 badges was 4 IDs. And so Dr. Drew would just like give each one of you your own size, probably is small. What does she look like?
She's like kind of dark tan skin, curly black hair. She's about 5'4".
5'4", yeah.
Ooh.
And then as you guys open up the ID, and Cross still have his fucking sunglasses on in the middle of the night, and you see the same pictures that's on your ID, like on your actual government IDs. You have no idea how they got access to those, but every single detail about it on the ID, the fake FBI ID, is completely correct, and they look fresh. They look real, authentic. And each of you got this, and where do you guys want to go from there?
So I'm assuming like everybody knows the mission.
Yes, and you guys also know that there are personnel. The one who calling the police is the lab PI, principal investigator, which is her boss, called Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel, Anya Patel, Dr. Anya Patel, and as far as you guys know, the local PD, the Yolo County Police, is currently investigating the disappearance of Dr. Hoffman. But the investigation hasn't been going on for long because Dr. Green kind of come in right away and leave the case to you guys. And since it's the middle of the night, you probably assume that nobody is up on Sunday. Okay.
Yeah, you are butt tired. You are butt tired, my friend.
Yes.
My friend, you are very tired.
That is not a Hispanic accent. I don't know what accent that is.
Hola, my name is Senor. Hello, my
Stop.
name is Senora Rodriguez.
Senora.
I'm about to turn into the Senor Beatdown.
No, like listen to me when I'm talking to you.
Okay, so
I will grind your tomatillos and your 3-inch stem into green salsa.
I saw Graham Cross is like the whitest guy I've ever seen.
Yeah.
I had no idea he was a Hispanic guy.
No, he's not. No.
Okay.
That's me pretending to be a relief.
Yeah, you
So
pretend to be a lead or it's cross.
So what do you guys think that you're... so Dr. Drew wanna go to sleep. Long ass flight.
You can go to the inn, the Aggie Inn that's near the parking lot near Olson Hall.
Which is the other side of the campus.
Yeah, there's
Go to the shop.
Okay, so do you guys all decide to go there? Yeah, I would say, well, you guys taking one car or are you running your own car? What's the...
We have 2
Split it into 2 cars, different cars.
I will be definitely taking my car. What are the other?
Well, I have my commission cut. All my shit is in
Or you can take a spin bike.
Yeah, the spin bike's over.
those bikes.
The Hyatt place. You could actually go there. That actually makes the most sense.
The Hyatt place?
Yeah, the Hyatt. That's what I was gonna say because
The
Aggie,
grand
the
shop.
Aggie Inn doesn't make sense, but the
Literally
Hyatt.
where we live.
Yeah.
Close it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally right behind here.
So you guys go there. You guys manage to find a suite.
Yes.
Each of you got your own room. With a common room in the middle.
Oh, I thought the Hyatt place at UC Davis because there's 2.
Oh, there's 2.
Yeah,
the
there's
one
the one
downtown?
like there's the
Oh.
one like next to Minetti Shrimp. Like the
Yeah,
Harbor.
there's
right,
one
that
across
one.
from that.
Okay, that one over there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It gives us-
Closer to where
Yeah.
you guys are. So you guys check in for the night, and there's a lady in the middle of the morning. And it's like, hello, do you guys have a reservation?
No. We probably came over like immediately. So
Yeah, and then she types on the computer and says, separate rooms or one giant over one big suite for
Separate.
four. Okay.
How many?
Would you like to add $10 for the continental complimentary breakfast next morning?
Sure.
Okay. Just be sure it's from 7 to 10. Here are your cards, and the Wi-Fi password's here, and the ice machine's down the hallway. It's checking for the night, and the next morning, sun rises, brand new day, Monday. What's the agenda? What is everybody doing? Obviously, after the great continental breakfast, orange juice and the toast. Talk among yourself.
So,
First course of action.
okay. We can talk to Anya Patel. We can talk to the police department in Davis.
I don't think the police will.
I don't think the police will.
But we're an FBI.
Yeah, but remember you said Delta Green like put a handle on it pretty fast, so
Yeah.
they probably don't have as much as.
Wait, who had a hand? Wait,
Delta Green.
Delta Green.
Because they like you said they came in and like to control the like everything. And
Oh, so the police don't know a lot, essentially.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why we're here. The
Okay.
police knew a lot.
So we can just do some research on. We should do some research on where Patel's office is.
Okay. Oh, you guys know where the office
Oh, you already
is?
know where the office
It's at the plant biology building on campus, and the actual name of the place.
Is that across from the?
No, it's
Rick's Hall?
Yes, it's across the street from the Catherine Esau.
So that's
Yeah.
right next to the
Yeah.
pavilion structure.
So right next to California Hall, like you know no, not next to
That's Hutchinson.
no, the one right next to California Hall.
Hutchinson?
Yeah.
Edmondson?
No, that's Hutchinson.
I'm
That's
looking at
Hutchinson.
Hutchinson? Oh, okay. Because I looked up Department of Plant Biology and their thing's in Briggs.
Well,
Yeah, it's
but
Hutchinson Hall. It's the one right next to the.
I have lab
California.
lecture there at
Yeah.
8 a.m. It sucks ass.
All right, so what do you guys do?
We will drive in one vehicle.
Probably have the clearance to actually drive.
Well, I am clear.
Oh,
Yeah.
by the way, before I leave my house or my room, I have cardboard. Like I brought up a majority of my equipment, so none of it is in the car. I have also cardboarded my windows.
Or you can just have a tinted window vehicle.
Yeah.
No. Cardboarded my
your
in the
windows.
hotel room.
Or you can just.
He's sitting on the floor.
What floor is this on?
Why are we?
It's the fourth floor.
There are people who say that sleeping on like hard floors is actually
Yeah. Okay.
No,
So you guys do that.
So we can drive in my vehicle since.
Yeah, I don't think you guys gonna park in front of the building.
Well, no, we're gonna park at what's it called? I forgot where am I? We'll just park at the structure again, I think.
You can
Or
technically
park at
there's
the
a
Arc.
road. There's a
You
road.
park at the Arc.
There's
it's
a
closer.
road that runs behind Hutchinson
Yeah.
that you can park in, and that's why I'm saying that if we have a commissioned vehicle, we can get through there when we normally wouldn't be able to.
You guys might have a permit because you're
Yeah.
working with local authorities,
Mhm.
but you need to see the local authority to get this kind of permit. You know what I mean? You don't just come with it.
So the police department.
All right, so you guys go to the Bryson. You guys go to the Davis Police Department. Actually, you don't because it's a Yolo County zone. So, well, no, you can't go to the.
Yeah.
I don't know much about the police here, man.
You have changed
So-
your mind 3 times.
You guys go to the police department on campus because that's where they were reported incidents to, and you go through the front gate and go to the receptionist, and you see a bright and early in the morning. When do you think it is? 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right, 8 o'clock. You see the officer sitting by the reception desk, has the coffee that still has the stain coming out of it, and a dozen donuts next to him. And you see you guys coming up and say, and then, are you guys wearing your FBI credentials with you, or?
Yes.
Okay.
I imagine so.
And what do you guys talk? What do you guys say?
We're sent by the FBI.
Oh, Dr. Hoffman. If that's the case, I will connect you to the detective that was on the case. Just give me a second, and he turns and goes to his phone, and he taps on the different numbers and says, Detective Blake? Yes. There's 4 FBI agents here for the Dr. Hoffman's case. Okay. All right. I'll send him right in. And he said, and then he stands up and he leads you guys inside of the police department, and also checking your FBI credentials, obviously. And he leads you to this Davis Cruiser looks pretty much modern, and leads you to the desk of on the plaque it says Detective Serena Blake. And what you see is a young blonde woman. Seems like in her early 30s, the late 20s. She's muscular built. She's the same height as Iris, 5'4", 5'5", and she's in her work attire and with her ponytail up in a very clean and professional manner. And she meets you guys and say, "Hello, agents. You guys are here for the Dr. Hoffman's case."
FBI sent us to investigate.
And she doesn't have an office. It was in desk. And she goes back to her. She stands up and shakes your hand. She goes back to her desk and says, Dr. Helen, the Hoffman's case. We didn't receive much. We received the call last week, around early time of Friday morning. Dr. Patel called us in to let us know that Dr. Hoffman has been missing for a couple of days, which is not common for her. She essentially sleeps and lives in. We didn't conduct much investigation yet because right after we received the phone call, when I received the case and was ready to start investigating, I was called by my boss to hand out this case to you. And you guys are saying this might be related to bioterrorism?
Yes, it's possible with the facility that she works in.
Well, I guess they're sending in the big guns in that case. It's way beyond my limits. I'm glad that they sent you. You guys all seem very capable. And she looks each one of you. Look at Cruz, scared. What do you see, like a professional guarding position?
I'm stood with my legs slightly apart.
Yeah.
My hand across
defensively.
I'm probably
looking at Iris.
And I'm even more laid back.
He still has a bagel and a cup of coffee.
He's like, damn, these donuts are wait.
And then she kind of looks at Dr. Drew.
I'm not a man into it.
And then he looks at you for a little bit too long. And say, you guys are all very professional. I'm sure you guys are capable of investigating this case.
Wait, she looked at him super long?
He kind of doesn't look that much
Yeah,
like
I'm
an
not
FBI
very
agent.
Yeah.
I thought it was we would like to assure you that we will be conducting everything with as much swiftness as possible.
And with the utmost secrecy to not panic anyone around
Yes.
here.
We want to assure you that once we have all the details together about the case, we will be sure to, if it is capable for us to do, we will inform you of any updates that we can find on the UCD's campus.
And she said, thank you, agent. And she gives you her number for you to contact her with any updates. And she says, so here's my number. I will be, even though it's not my case anymore, I will provide you guys with the support you need. If you need any official documentations or any the databases that we have access to, just remember, keep me updated on the case. And thank you, Agent Cross. Yeah, I just know your name, even though you didn't tell me your name.
No, I'm like Cross.
Yeah. Cross. Thank you, Agent Cross. And yes, make sure that things understand this is a public research university. It's a sensitive case. And let me know if I have anything that I can help you guys. And she says, here is the evidence we have collected so far. We have been to her office. We have not yet documented everything since I didn't get the chance to do that just yet. And here is her basic information. She gave you her phone number, her address, her and her social security number, and her basic information. So you know she has a car. You know she owns several.
What type of car does she have?
It's a Subaru. You know, it's a Subaru small SUV. It's common for people who live in California. It's a Subaru.
Outback.
Yes, a Subaru Outback. a 2016 Subaru converge. They are known for having some issues with their power system, but it's a popular car, and it is light blue. And you see that she has no spouse. She had her family. She's not originally from California. Well, no, she's not originally from California, and her parents are from Washington. And that's all the basic information you can see from now. And she tells you that she also gives you a permit for you guys to access the public facilities on campus, and she gives you the location for her lab. And she says, so her lab is located on the 6th floor of the Hutchinson Hall, and I believe that Dr. Patel is in the lab today. All right.
Well, that.
Yeah. Oh, what do you want to?
I just want to see like if I can tell she's hiding. Like I'm not going to interrogate her.
Stuff.
Yeah.
Everybody can.
Yeah.
Everybody can. By the way, remember you guys have lucks because you guys are terrible rollers.
Yeah.
And keeping track of your lucks.
Says you're the one.
So if to be clear, so if we fail a roll,
you can
get the plus, right? We get the plus. Is that plus mechanic?
So you roll 64. You get 60.
Yeah.
You can spend 4 luck to make it a success.
How much luck do we have?
Well, didn't you roll it last
60,
time?
Yeah, I did.
Do you have it?
I failed.
I failed.
No, we roll for human intelligence.
I got a 59.
You failed?
I got 75.
I don't remember.
Actually, can everybody tell me what do you have for luck? It's 3d6 times 5.
3d6.
Wait.
You mean?
No, I think you guys rolled it. Right?
We were supposed to roll. I'm looking.
Yeah.
We did.
Oh, okay. Give me a 3d6 times 5 roll. See how many
Can I
rolls
get some too? I don't think I rolled that one.
Okay. Galen, you can roll it too.
3d6 times 5.
Just check me if I did roll it. Because I remember us actually doing this.
Oh, chill.
Okay, I got 45 luck.
45 luck. D6?
10 times what?
5.
50.
25?
You have 25. What? 5, 10. That's 50. Well, 25. You have 25.
Wait.
Yeah.
What's the
That's not a lot.
3d6
Times 5.
Yeah.
3d6 times 5.
Well, damn. That's not good.
What?
40.
I have 25. Shut up.
Oh, okay, well.
So, what do you get? You can put it.
Oh, wait. No, it's even worse.
5 plus 5 is
Details.
10. 10 times 5 is 50.
No, that's 8.
It's a 40.
40. You have 40 luck. How did you get 25?
Wait, what am I supposed to multiply it by?
5.
3d6 times 5.
I can't do math. I was multiplying it by 5 in my head. Oopsies, 40, yeah.
So just put it anywhere on your
Skills.
yeah. Just keeping track of that. So, does anyone succeed in their human intelligence roll?
No.
No.
You don't really. So, like, she has a kind of a poker face. She's like, she gives you the vibe of she's all business, you know, and you can't really tell if she's hiding stuff from you. As far as you guys know, she gives you all the info is at the lab. Right? So you guys go to the lab. You drive through the building. You drive through. You see the building. And you don't park the car right in front of the building. That's another thing. You park the car in the facility access, like the parking lot.
Yeah.
Right. Like, you know the greenhouse, the experimental greenhouses? You park right next to there. You guys get out, and you go to... Do you guys all know what Hutchinson Hall looks like, or do you want me to show you a picture?
I know.
I know what it is.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have a class in Hutchinson. I have a class in store.
So, yeah, me too. You guys go in without making weird noises. You go up the stairs towards the elevator, and you go to the first floor. It looks like, you know, there's lecture halls, there's offices, and the above floors, they are basically long hallways, and on each side of the hallway are labs, you know. And you go up to the 6th floor, and you guys go to the checking each lab, and you see Patel Lab, and along the hallway you see these posters of representing their research works, and you see a lot of Dr. Hoffman's work with her name as the leading researcher, and you give me a biology check.
Yeah, why like
80? 70. You don't need to roll. And you just take a look. You walking, browsing the posters, and you see Hoffman's name, and then you see, even though plant biology isn't your field of expertise, but you know enough in life science to know that she is working with plant pathology, and you see her. You see her. A lot of her work is about epidemics, plant epidemics, like the withering disease. She did some soil analysis as well. It's common for plant biologists to do both at the same time, and she also worked with model organisms like she does some tissue culturing, not just on the granular side of the actual plants. She also looks at the molecular level and cell levels and all that. She seems to be a leading researcher in the field. You might not know her per se, but her work shows that she is a highly credited and leading researcher. If we put her work on a scale of 100, you might say that her biology, science, plant biology, at 80. So you guys walk in, and it's it's not empty. You see people in there. People working. It's early, still early in the morning. It's not common. It's not uncommon for people coming in late for their work. You see these open lab benches with lab supplies on top of it and equipment on the bottom. And next to each bench is a workstation with computers and stuff. And you also see two separate offices. Well, three separate offices, three separate rooms. Two of them seem to be offices. By the end of the lab area, and one of them says Dr. Patel, and there is you can see there's a little like window on top of the room, like the door. Come in. What? In. And as you guys walk in, and the background sound is like the sound of the incubator sound of like stuff like sci-fi lab noises in the background.
Bubbles.
And then you walk in and into her office is next to the window, so you see if you look down, you see the road in front of the Hutchinson building. And in her office, it's a pretty well decorated office. You see plaques, and you see these certifications. You see pictures of her in her lab, like the lab. If you can tell that there's at least 8 people at some point in this lab. So far, you only see 2. There's one more person working outside, and you see these books, cell biology, plant biology.
Did that person that when we walked in, did they pay us any mind?
No, you just walked in. It seems like they were focusing on their work, and you see plant biology and all these journals, and you see this woman. Wait, do you see this woman? Well, I hope you see this woman.
You see I. Me when I go to the University of Irvine.
You see I.
You see a. What?
You don't see this woman because I forgot to download her picture.
You don't see this woman, for you are blind.
Your name is Helen.
Okay, you see a mid-age, maybe 40, 50 years old Indian woman, small build, who has you can kind of see her. She has eye bags underneath her. She is not wearing a lab coat. She is wearing a work suit, not suits, like a work outfit, with a shirt and pants. And she's typing as you guys walk in. She doesn't even move her eyes off her computer. She's still typing, working, and she says, "Oh, come on in." And what do you guys do?
Sorry, I'm laughing because I was listening to you and then my brain short-circuited halfway through. And the only thing I got about Dr. Patel is that she has eye bags.
She doesn't have eye bags. Her hair is a little bit messy. You can see gray hair. She has mostly gray hair now. Yeah.
Oh, Dr. Patel?
Oh, hello. And she finally looks up and she glances through this and sees the FBI's and so, hello, agents. I'm glad you guys are here. And she does not say that.
We are here to investigate the disappearance of...
Oh yes, yes. Have a seat. And she points to the chairs in front of her. And these are not some nice chairs. These are like plastic chairs, stools, and then maybe a little bit uncomfortable for Mr. 6'2" to actually sit if he even sits.
No, I'm just leaning up against
the wall. And she says, "Thank you for you guys to come in at such short notice and such a timely manner." And Dr. Hoffman is a close friend of mine. I got worried since she didn't come in since last Friday after leaving work. She didn't come in last Friday after she left work. She left work early on Friday, and I tried to call her multiple times. Her both personal phone and her home phone, and she didn't pick up. So I got worried, and so that's why I called the police. And if you want, I can give you a tour of the lab and and show you where her office is. And then she stands up and she leads you guys around and she show you the lab. And she says, "Well, this is where blah 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 is. This is where her grad students work." Dr. in-depth detail about Dr. Hoffman. She said, "Dr. Hoffman has been with me for almost 10 years now. She finished her PhD study here at UC Davis. She originally went to Sac State. We have been close friends since she was a grad student when I was an associate professor. And she finished her postdoc actually abroad in Vietnam. She does a lot of plant biology works. She is an avid volunteer. She does a lot of volunteering around the world, and she does a lot of field works. And then she says right now she's busy. She is a associate researcher with the lab. She doesn't have any teaching positions, and she is currently working on 3 projects at the same time, as far as I know. So she needs some work. She needs some help. So we have 2 undergrads and 1 grad students that are working directly with her. The undergrads kind of just walk around all over the place, and at the lab by itself we have 3 grad students, including the one that work with Dr. Patel, and others. You guys see she says, do you guys and she says that Dr. Hoffman recently received she was going through her project with you guys. She said one project, it was a bigger project that everyone in the lab is kind of collaborating on, is on some blah 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 diseases, and she's working on the molecular and the cellular side of the disease. And she said her second project is collaboration with a different lab at Texas A&M on the pathology and the more on the wet data, the wet lab, the data collection and the analysis parts of the pathology and the epidemic nature of this disease. And the third project, we recently just received it, is a collaborative project with it was actually a favor from her postdoc era. The lab she worked with in the postdoc in Ho Chi Minh City, in Vietnam. They recently sending some samples for her to analyze. So as you can see, it's basically on hold now. And you guys are walking through the lab, and she shows you to the other side of the lab of where her office is. And she says, "So this is her office." And the grad student she's working with is not here today. I sent him home because there's no, you know how grad students are. He is still on he's the first year on his PhD, so he works really closely with Dr. Hoffman for some mentorship right now. And his name is Stephen Grant. And this is her. Do you guys have any questions for me?
Yeah. So about Stephen Grant, is there any way we can contact him, talk to him?
Yes, of course. And then she gives you his contact information. And he lives in Tanglewood.
Tanglewood?
Right there.
Right there, yeah.
And then as you guys asked her, she's trying to open the door for Dr. Hoffman's office. And she says, I haven't seen her, I haven't checked her office for now. And the detectives didn't get a chance to come over yet. That's why it's still unopened. And so she goes to open the door, and it was locked. She said, "Okay, that's weird." And we don't usually lock doors in this lab, she says. And she grabs the key, and she she asked around, and she's not the lab manager. So she asked the lab manager who was working that day, and says, "Hey, do you know where we keep the keys for the office?" And then the lab manager, she's Asian. She says, "Ah, yes, Dr. Patel. It's with the fume hood for the fume hood and the alcohol cabinet. It was the beer bottle keychain on it." She said, "Oh, okay, I know where it is." She grabs a key. There's a bunch of keys all together, and she opens she opens the door, and says to you guys, "I will leave you guys to your investigation. Please keep me updated on your investigation, and please bring her home or find her. And I will leave you guys to it. And I will be in my office. And here's my number." So she gave her your number. She gave you her number, and she goes back to her work. And what's the world?
Assuming to investigate.
Not specifically what.
5 Wall Street Temple.
Did we ever actually get Hoffman's address?
You did.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, from the police.
She lives in a so she owns a house. She owns a home in Davis. You know they actually were Shadow House. What's the is it East Davis?
Northeast.
Northeast Davis. Yes. You know where they have like these small houses over there?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh, where they're building them?
Yeah.
Like near the suburb?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's northwest.
Northwest Davis.
Sorry, yeah, northwest.
So
yeah.
it's across from where I live.
Yeah.
Okay.
Olivia walks out of her house. Hey, what are you guys doing?
She's John Kasu.
Yeah, John.
Welcome to Delta Green.
John Delta Green.
All right.
All right, so we just roll our suits again.
Do you guys want to do anything with Dr. Patel, or you guys
I think I'm asking her questions
after?
Should we split up?
Yeah, you can ask her questions. What do you guys think?
My search. Where the fuck is it?
Yours, sure.
I have a 40.
I have 50.
My blind versus search.
Behind total science.
I have 20.
Okay, I think I'm going with you.
I mean, listen, I'm probably gonna.
So, what about everybody's human intelligence? And
What intelligence?
human
Mine
intelligence?
is 60.
Mine's also 60.
You're useless.
Well, what's your charisma?
Oh, I have charisma. I have 75.
Wait, so you go top.
Wait, where's
It's at the top.
It's at the top.
It's with the main. It's with the main.
It's
desk.
the main stand.
right? I'm
You have biology.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay.
So
I'm
I'm
gonna
You
search the
can
lab.
search the lab. We can search the office.
So me and you are going to ask the doctor questions.
yeah.
You have the high search.
But I also have the highest charisma.
She kind of already gave you. You have a sense that she kind of gave you. She want to get it over with as soon as possible.
Yeah, no, that's why I was like, I want to ask her questions later because I want to see what's in the lab
And then ask.
because
Cool.
instead of going to her and being like, so, what can you tell us? Even though she really gave us an entire like paragraph. So that's
Hey,
why
we're
I
going
want.
to the fucking lab.
So we're going to the lab.
Next time, start.
My only thing is that I'm good with alertness. That's about it.
Okay.
That's important. Though.
Yeah. I have 80 alertness.
Yeah, I know. Why would you summon that?
Okay, I'll roll my search in the office.
I'll search as well.
What? 98.
Are you kidding or are you getting it?
I rolled a 52.
Okay, search roll. 66 critical fail.
Jesus Christ. 21.
Nice.
So.
He's in the lab.
When you fail, so
The
for
science is
Olivia,
fine.
so when you fail to check in some cases, you don't.
Oh wait, that's a 32. Oh no, I still stopped.
So it doesn't mean that you necessarily don't get anything. It might mean it should take you longer. So I'm going to describe what you see in your lab. Okay. So as you open the door, you see that you smell. So like I forgot to describe the smell of the lab. So the entire lab smells kind of completely of soil, disinfectant, and not decay, like permanent.
Yeah.
You know,
Like compost kind of. Yeah.
not as strong because most of these works are done in humans, and this small disinfectants, and you see that her in her lab you see a computer, is your laptop, but the first thing hits you is like so many shit, desk all over the room, and these are and you can barely find a way to walk in, to find a place to stand with the amount of materials, like paper materials, like binders, folders. It doesn't necessarily look like someone robbed the place. It just seems like it's not well organized at all. You see that there is, reference books on the floor, open. You see there is a board with sticky notes behind the desk behind her. You see by the corner of the room is a army bed with a pillow and blankets, kind of loosely not organized, sort of there. And then you see, yeah, that's all you see so far. The first impression, and it was a successful search check. I would imagine everyone is kind of picking up random stuff to see what it is. Which part of the room do you want to search first? Which one is the room does everyone tell me? Which part does everyone want to search first?
I was looking in her office.
The office, yes. Which part of her office? I told you there's the stuff on the floor. There's the bullet point board. Yeah. It's a decent sized room for people.
So he's like in the lab or in the office?
Because there's the office space.
Yes.
And then there's the lab outside.
Yes.
He said he was looking in the lab
outside.
outside.
Oh, the lab outside.
Yeah.
Who's seeing the...
I'm also in the office.
Okay, so I searched the lab with Sam.
But I rolled a search roll in the office, and I just rolled generally.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then you failed.
Yeah, I failed.
I will get back to the failures later. We'll talk about the successes. So you go to her lab, and the lab bench is kind of unorganized. If you work in the lab that I work at right now, you're gonna get yelled at for not having an organized bench. You see pipette tips, empty pipette boxes all over. You see undisposed the biohazard, like where you put the pipette, like the used pipette tips and like the vesicles and the tubes inside. It was not clean. It seems like there's a procedure notebook opened. So like I mentioned before, the lab benches are connected to another computer for everyone, like not for everyone to use, but like another like lab computer for them to use. And you see that she has a little refrigerator for her samples to put inside, and you see there's another set of keys on her desk. So with your successful search roll, you're looking at her workstation outside in the lab area or her bench, like her lab bench, her workstation. So as someone who works in the lab for a long time, you know exactly what to look. You're going through her lab notebooks, and you can see her lab notebooks. As Dr. Patel tells you, she's a very organized person, seems like, at least for her outside station. You see her lab notebook dates all the way to 2013, so 7 years. And you go to her latest one, and you open it up. With your successful search roll, you flip to her latest lab entry, journal entry, and then you see this.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
You guys do see Dr. Patel. This is what she looks like.
Great hair, huh? I don't see it.
Just imagine her with great hair. Jesus.
Kill yourself.
Kill yourself.
I'm good.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, guys.
I'm gonna commit. I'm gonna Kermit.
I'm gonna Kermit suicide.
Sorry, I'm still looking.
That's not
Huh?
What do I see?
Give me a second, you bitch.
Trying to roll to see if I can do anything lower. Okay.
Don't worry about the time. I fucked up the day.
Oh, into the phone.
Okay. Sample displays extremely rapid growth under UV light. Substrate, not necessary, appears to derive nutrients from airborne particulates. Bioluminescence increases during periods of human proximity, response to heat, CO2, cannot rule out psychoactive properties. Initial exposure induces dizziness and mild auditory hallucinations. Signs of intelligence? Plant matter reacts when touched, retreating slightly, but recovering within seconds. Notes. Preliminary genetic tests show high level of horizontal gene transfer. Genes consistent with human, fungal, and unknown origins. No known pathogen aligns with this behavior. Whispering sound likely caused by spore release and airflow, but the patterns suggest intent. Warning: PPE is mandatory. Containment protocols failing. Sample appears self-replicating beyond observed parameters.
So that's what doctors and the anomalous part of it is definitely not that it happens in the future. It's definitely not a mistake on my part. And do you show it to anyone? Okay. Who else wrote a search?
Galen and I did, but we both failed.
We all three of us failed.
Yeah.
If we want to roll additional one outside of the lab, can we roll for inside the office and then in the lab?
So this is what I think we should be moving. Failing a search roll doesn't mean you don't find anything. It just means you take longer for you to find it, which makes sense because inside the labs there's so many stuff that you just cannot find. You just cannot identify stuff. So
we're in the office part of it.
Yeah. So I would just say that in the office, you two are currently just putting stuff together, like organizing stuff.
Oh yeah, because it's an absolute mess.
Oh, I'm in the lab staying.
Did you fail?
Yeah, I failed.
Critical fail.
Wait, so did you show this to us?
Did you critical fail?
Yeah, he critical
I
failed.
critical failed.
You kill yourself.
I step on a beaker.
You step on you knock like a beaker down, and you have to spend time to clean up. It's like, and you're looking at stuff. It's like, interesting. And then your elbow just touch a beaker with liquids in there, shatters.
Unironically, true story.
And the lab manager just looks over and says, "What happened? What happened?"
No, unironically, true story. There was a door in going to my kitchen. I for some reason I decided to freaking touch my elbow to the glass and it fucking cracked immediately.
That's your luck going in the opposite direction. What the fuck?
I don't know. And then my mom and my sister were freaking out. I was like, Vinny, control your strength. Jesus fucking Christ. Like, what the fuck?
I tapped it. I fucking tapped it. Anyway.
Alright, give me another search roll.
Us three?
All of you guys, if you want.
Third. Yes, 24.
You
16.
Well, 100. Critical fit.
Again? You try to clean up, you mop up your mess. While you're mopping up your mess, you just smear it all over the place. So the lab manager says, okay. She pushes you aside and gently and says, I will take care of it. I will take care of it.
I got 20.
And then he starts looking it up. He's like, don't worry.
So in the main office, you guys are. What are you guys looking at specifically? Looking at.
So there's the desk. So there's her desk. And what other locations?
You said there's stuff on the floor.
There's no stuff on the floor.
Anything on bookshelves or file cabinets?
Like, seeing that most of the stuff is already on the floor.
Okay. You want to look at desk? I look at floor.
Okay.
So looking at the desk, you see our computer, and it's
I have
not.
desk PS4.
Yeah.
Oh, you have desk. You see the computer, and it seems that it's not turned off. And with a successful roll, you open the computer. You see a sticky note underneath her desk with her password on it.
That's not
It
safe.
says love plant, but love the E is like the weird ones, and the O has the one the apostrophes and stuff, and the plant, the S is the street.
Well, that's not safe, but at least she remembers it.
So you open the computer, and the first thing that stands out to you is the background, the wallpaper of her laptop, and it's a picture of her and four researchers standing in front of a field next to a jungle, and you don't recognize the four researchers near her, but they all seem to be Asian, and you do see Dr. Helen Hauman, and this is what she looks like, guys. Give me a second.
I'm assuming that picture's probably from when she was in Vietnam.
Yes. Well, it's safe to assume so.
Yeah, because they said she was working in Vietnam.
Yeah.
None of the other locations they gave would make sense. Inference.
Inferences. This is what she looks like.
That's about exactly.
She looks like exactly like what a Hoffman would look like.
She does. She just looks older than Patel. Which is funny.
So she, and you see that, and with her successful roll, what are you looking for? We're looking for computer.
I'm going to look for anything that was like recently written or sent. Looking for anything
Sent? Okay.
Yeah, like if she sent anything
to somebody? Okay.
or she wrote something down.
So
just anything that would be recent enough and is suspicious.
Okay, so you go check her browse history.
Oh no.
You see she was looking at some cute cat memes. She's doing like a cat lady.
Ooh, write that down.
She was looking at conferences. She was looking at she has a lot of PubMed search histories on the papers. PubMed is like a database for all kinds of like research papers and stuff.
Oh, PubMed.
You see, and then you go to her Gmail account, the ucdavis.edu account. It is not locked, and you see her emails. Other than like weekly seminar reminders, say health inspection, lab and safety inspections, with these non-important information. In the received inbox, you see a email from Dr. Kevin Nguyen. His full name is Dr.
Like Catherine.
Nguyen.
Yeah. And then you see it's from July
2 weeks before would have been June.
2 weeks. Yeah.
So like
so
14 days exactly.
So for around 14 days exactly, and she has they have a communication between Dr. Nguyen and Dr. Hoffman. Dr. Nguyen was basically saying that we have the sample we want you to take a look at, that we're going to send it right away as a pathology sample. It should write in your field of study. And And he says, hopefully it's not going to be too much trouble. And she said, of course, no problem. Just send it right away. And he says the delivery for the sample should take no longer than a week. And they're talking about the procedures, and they were talking about when it's going to come in, and the delivery addresses and stuff. And the deeper look into her personal email accounts, you go to her draft boxes, and then you see this and unsent email.
Please do not handle the sample yourself. This is beyond our field. I will personally deliver the sample to quarantine tomorrow. Until then, do not allow anyone in the lab.
And you see that the time of this email when it was sent is the Friday. The Friday was the week before July 17th.
July 17th, was that the date?
We're July.
You guys 17th. So like the week, like the Friday of that week. So the day 11th. That she left, she left and didn't come back. It's like a week before that. If that makes sense.
A week before she disappeared.
So that will be the 4th, July the 4th. And who else succeeded in their research role?
He did as well.
I did.
Oh, okay. So we just resolved that in there.
Are you letting me know about this right now or later?
No. You go through your stuff and then I'll tell you essentially.
So you see her bag. So next to her bed, near the wall, the army bed, was that like covered underneath a lot of like loose papers and stuff. You see seems like a I don't know how to describe a woman's bag. A woman's bag.
Oh, bag.
A bag. And then you open it up. Other than the her what does women keep in their bag? Olivia?
They do, right? Do they not?
Yes. That's not the only thing that's in there. Makeup,
just a box of super
tampons, pads, possibly, foam.
No, unironically.
Yeah. Okay. You see her phone. It seems to be uncommon for people to leave without her phone, but you see her phone, and the phone is dead. And you do not see her key. You do find her license as well.
Okay.
So you can find her wallet, her phone.
How much money does she have in her wallet?
Jesus Christ.
Search it,
$50. And you see David's facility access card. like her ID card.
Right.
This is on the floor.
No, this is in her bed. On her bed there was a bag, and I'm looking through the bag right now. And I just found her phone.
You might be able to do something with the phone later, but the phone is dead right now. And going outside.
Can I assume that we have a charging cord for it?
Yeah, it's an iPhone 8.
Yeah. Okay. So then yeah.
And going outside. What do you think you're looking? You're still looking at the same workstation. So you open her computer, her workstation computer, and it's not locked as well. You see different kind of files with seems mostly on data collections. You see 4 folders that kind of stand out to you with your 70 biology. You see a folder that's gene analysis for sample X195. The second one is staining immunofluorescence photos of sample X195. And you also see another file that says procedure. Which one would you like to click on?
Wait, what are those 3 folders?
Procedure, gene analysis, and immunofluorescence. Immunofluorescence staining means that you're looking at the protein pattern in the different cells of a tissue. You should know that. One more, I forgot to say, is the RNA of where everything is in the sample. So one more folder. Yeah, RNA analysis. Which one do you want to click on first? Actually, I can tell you all of them. Just tell me which one you want to hear first. Gene analysis first? Yeah. All right. So this one I do require a dice roll of biology because even though you're well trained in biology, they just seems to be random letters for you. You succeeded? Okay. What success in was biology. It's similar to the work that you're doing because it's molecular work. You see that it is a BLAST, blast gene analysis, which is a cross-referencing for different genetic data from different organisms to see if there are any shared genes between different species and organisms. And you soon with the analysis that you see, the results that you see something that corresponds to the journal entry that you just read from the lab book. That the gene analysis shows that there are unidentified gene origins for this particular plant sample, and this plant sample is a what's the English name for it? The one you get rice from?
Aquatic plant.
I mean, give me a second. I'm just finding the English word for this. It's called Areza stativa. So it's literally the rice plant.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. So you guys see the rice plant. You realize that it's the gene sequence. A majority of the gene sequence is the rice plant, but there are unidentified gene origins.
So this is relating to this specimen or the sample that
yeah. So you would see that she was doing a gene analysis on this rice plant. The majority of it is still rice, obviously, but there are identified from different organisms. As you know, in that general area, maybe there's some insects. There's other soil. The bacteria genome and the virus genome is common for plants to have in their but the ones that
you're saying that it's very similar to a rice thing, but there's certain parts that we're not sure.
And this is gonna take you a longer to tell, but I will tell you now that it takes you like longer for you to take a deeper look at it, but I will give you the information now. Just to let you know that in the game, your character is going to take longer to get this information. If you do more cross-referencing of these unidentified gene strips, you see some of it is mammal origin, and a closer look seems to be from human. There are bacteria origins. There are insectoid origins, and there are still unidentified ones that seems to be broken. So there's the unidentified region. You don't know if it's due to the sample extraction was done wrong, was like make a mistake, so they didn't get anything from it, or it's just something that's not even in the BLAST gene database.
That perfect timing with like
all right
featuring the creature.
This is like you guys are probably gonna spend some time here already.
Oh, spend the whole day.
Yeah, is this what your plan is to spend the whole day here?
I got 3 more files to go.
And I will just say succeed.
So we got here at like 8.
8. So about 10 o'clock. You're probably gonna like shoot out.
Or you can start and come back and help me.
But like, what kind of question do you want? Because the superficial, like first level.
Yeah, I want to wait for like Stando and cover his shit.
So like
there's a couple of stuff. Yeah.
So I uncovered something that is
Let's
like
help Galen
tell.
I'm gonna break more
Tell
shit.
is very clear about this and unsettling.
She doesn't want it to. She doesn't want Patel to know about this.
Even though you're
Yeah, and
so that would probably pick up that it's like, okay, but this was sent like week before she went missing. So clearly,
like the day, like almost a day, like a couple of days before she went missing.
Yeah, so it's clear that it's like, okay, hold on, she's not saying anything. So just
And you guys are learning about these samples, but you still haven't seen these samples.
Yeah.
It's not on her bench. Don't.
It's not in her bed.
What do you guys want to do? Let me know. You don't have to roll anymore. You see. So that success was finding these 4 files out of bajillions of other files of other projects. You guys gotta pull the weight, man.
Yeah,
I found something.
I broke everything.
You broke everything. I don't know what Galen found. Oh right, Galen found the phone.
Yeah.
So should I roll again to search or?
Maybe.
We'll see. I might fail it, but 34. Nope.
Wait, what are we rolling for?
I was rolling to see if I could search.
So tell me about your plans, guys. What are you guys doing?
Why don't you just roll some search rolls?
I will probably go to Galen whenever he comes back. I'll go to Cross and be like, hey, I found this email. She didn't send it, but
What are you guys doing? Let me know, bro. Let me know.
Go pick up a dice and film for.
Cool. A character.
So I probably
no, my dice.
tell you about this email on this drafted, unsent email that I found.
Okay, let's role play this. Alright, I'm assuming the bed is behind the computer, right? In like the back.
Yes.
I just come out of the lab and like, hey guys, everything's fine. I got kicked out of the lab.
Look, we just see that the lab manager here is like she's just looking up and she's like, you cannot do this, you know. Next time, let me know if you're gonna touch anything. You know, we have a house safety inspection coming up. Okay.
I'll call you Lou.
Luis, just
Don't
cross. Just be careful. Don't break anything.
Yeah, I look up at Luis and say, come and help us.
Anyway,
look through
both of you.
Right.
There's no samples.
It's only
It's an
mentioned
office.
twice, guys. It's only mentioned.
Yeah, guys, come on.
But we should be cautious about what we're doing.
No, I go and find a mask.
That's something you should do in general when you're in a lab.
Yeah.
Just you know,
Yeah, you should.
101. Yeah.
Am I wearing shit?
No, you would know, like when you touch like these stuff.
Wait, because I saw her like dirty ass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have a mask.
He is not, because he's not going to know.
I caused 2 chemical spills.
And then you see, and then all right. So give me another roll. Switch roll.
Okay, but I put a mask on though, by the way.
Search roll, go!
Should I
20, I succeed!
Well, you don't have to do it now in the lab because it's in the office. So.
Well, yeah.
Well, I mean, my thing is like, if this thing was able to cause such significant,
You don't know where the sample is.
Well, that's why I'm saying it's like we don't know where the sample is.
but there could still be stuff in the lab.
We're not in the lab.
I know, but like it can
In the
percolate
air
into.
because it's spores. Yes,
Hey.
I understand.
Here's the thing. As I mentioned before, you wouldn't know, but Dr. Drew would know, and Patel would probably tell you something about where do they deal with these pathologic samples. It's not necessarily in the main lab.
And also my brain is also thinking that if this was so severe that she was having hallucinations, dreams, physical symptoms, why isn't anybody else around here having that if they're all in the same lab?
Yes.
So we should
that's also
be
a
fine.
question. Yes.
I'll still put a mask.
No, alright.
I'll still put a mask.
But his beard is so big, so it doesn't really matter.
No, it's like
So
the
like
blue
it's
one.
like
Yeah.
it's like when Moomin
Yeah.
wears a mask.
Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. So, did you fail your search roll?
No, I haven't rolled one.
I succeeded mine.
Okay, cool.
That's a 19.
So you guys are basically clearing up her room now. It's taking a little bit longer. He's still outside working, and it's almost lunchtime. You guys are catalog putting stuff back in place, and since you guys don't have any biology background, it's clearing up the room, and you see. Now you can see her personal belongings that was on her table that's uncovered now. You see more pictures of her, and you find about where she went for postdoc. So you see the certificates on the wall for for graduation and all that. You see she was graduated, like I said before, from Sac State. She went to UC Davis for her PhD training, initial PhD training, and she went to Vietnam for her postdoc. And you know where the name of this Vietnamese college is? It's the Vietnam National University of Agriculture. Vietnam National University of Agriculture. And you see, now you also know the name for the people who she was working with. And you know that this is in Hanoi. Yeah, was another success. You also find out about. You also that I would say that's probably going to be Galen's success. I'm sorry, Dr. Agent Cross' success was Agent Lopez's success. You find a set of keys that's laying next to the messy room. Okay. It has no insignia on it.
A label on it.
It does have the key labels on it. It says one of it says storage. The other one says TC room. You wouldn't know.
It stands for.
It stands for Texas cow.
Maybe that's the horror we're talking about.
Trade center.
Right. So I can tell you that
It's not the World Trade Center.
you guys almost all day. It's like afternoon now. I will give you the remaining information that you can get from the computer. You see from the computer the other two.
No, you read one.
Yeah.
There's 4.
Yeah.
He's getting it.
So the opening of the cell staining in immunofluorescence folder, you see that there has been a lot of pictures taken about these sections of these tissues. And with your background in biology, give me another roll because it's not exactly your side. It's cell bio, but it's not.
Ooh, that's 70.
70. So you can't really tell what caused it, but you can clearly see that the morphology of these, you know what plant cells will look like, but you wouldn't know what happened to these cells to make them look so weird. The distribution of the proteins, you can't really tell what protein she was looking for, but the distribution of it shows a weird pattern, abnormal pattern, and it does not correspond to the RNA analysis in the other folder. So it's the conclusion you kind of draw from it is that the cell structure is messed up. These plants, they don't supposed to live. It was these organelles so fucked up. Sorry, messed up. And it does not correspond, at least as far as your knowledge in pathology, limited knowledge. You can't tell if it corresponds to any of the known diseases that you have seen. And the remaining folder is a residue analysis. And the procedure has to be conducted first having no UV light. And you have to wash it with a buffer solution with 80% concentration of water. And it basically tells you what kind of antibodies you use for the staining and all that. Nothing that really stands out to you seems to be stain, right? You guys group up together and share the information and this stuff tonight.
Share the keys. I don't see why there's no
Oh, wait,
reason not to.
Patel's still in her office?
I don't think we should tell her.
Well, yeah, but I feel like. Wait, why don't we want to tell her?
Because it clearly.
So she doesn't know anything about Hoffman's work.
She knows something about Hoffman's work, but it clearly like she's might be involved in this fungal sample. But considering I'm not seeing any symptoms comes from anybody around here, and this email was sent a few to several days before her disappearance, something tells me she didn't want to tell them.
She seems, yeah, it's unsent.
Yeah, and it's not like unsent because she disappeared. It's
yeah, it was
unsent.
before she disappeared.
Yes, we're meeting.
Yeah.
You guys gonna talk about the weird fungus in the middle of the lab to everyone, or you're gonna all be huddled up in the office?
Yeah, we'll huddle up.
Close the door, maybe.
Close the door.
And you see the cat.
Oh, can we check if Patel is listening in on us? Like we can like.
Well, the
I know
whole
she's
time
down
you're
the
working,
hallway.
she's never left her office.
Yeah, she's down the hallway.
Except from like going for lunch. And the other people who's working seems to be done with their work and sitting behind their lab workstation. Alright, so what do you guys do?
Okay, I'm gonna show Stan the keys and ask him what the hell the TC room is.
You would know it's tissue culture.
Did you see that room anywhere?
It's at least not part of the well, yes, you would know that it's not probably that far away. You're not sure if it's the situation where the entire floor shares one, or each researcher has their own. But you haven't seen it because it's like in the middle of the floor. You haven't gone to the other side of the floor. So you haven't explored the entire floor yet. But you assume it's somewhere close at least.
That's in storage as well.
And one more key for the greenhouse. It was the word greenhouse on it, and it has a cute little the charm of like a three petal leaves. That's the key.
Okay, so storage, greenhouse, and tissue culture. You have your mask on. I have my mask. You guys are anti-vax. Okay. So.
Oh shit! This would have been during 2020. Oh damn!
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
There's a reason why I said it during 2020.
Oh, okay.
Like a month.
Definitely not because the ID. I don't know. It's the original date. All right. So what do you guys do?
So I found phone. I found wallet. You found the email. Stan, you found the information. That was on a computer, or was that in a file?
On a workstation computer. In a file of the computer.
From the computer.
Also, remember you have to report to the authority at some point to come up with a reason why she went missing.
Yeah.
So, and nobody has done anything for you to check her room to fill your narrative. This might be the time.
So definitely going to delete this email and wipe it.
Okay. You don't have to do it now.
Honestly, I'm a little worried about it. So I don't know how. What's the word? How much you'll be. What's the word? Like how much she wants to know more. You know, whether or not
you can talk to her again, and you can roll human intelligence on her.
Yeah. But what type of evidence would we plant?
So it's bioterrorism. So.
Is that the one you guys are going with?
Well, that's what we came in for.
Yeah.
But we don't have to come out like
We
that.
don't have to come out like that.
So why would she?
The problem with bioterrorism is that it could technically land on everybody else including as well.
Yeah. So you
don't want to. You don't want to say, "Oh, she is a bioterrorist."
Yeah, because that could.
Because you don't want anybody else to go too deep into it.
Yeah. So what's something that we could?
Here, mushroom spores, illicit substances.
How far could we plant this stuff? Because if we could say something along the line of she had schizophrenia or something, right? If we said she has a certain mental health disorder that would cause her to go and just disappear.
But we also have to be careful with the mental health disorder because these people know her.
These people know her for a long time.
They've known her for a long
time. We can say no, but it's like something. Oh, it's not diagnosed.
Then
they would probably still have picked up the symptoms.
For some research.
She's like, I really need that research grant.
I really want that new PCR machine.
Maybe she planted some illegal plants.
We don't have to figure out now.
But we need to plant evidence right now, right?
Do you have to?
I think it would be beneficial for us.
You can't just take the key and just lock the door because now it's a scene of actual investigation.
Office and lab. Well, it's her lab. It's not. I also think.
Yeah,
Because
the
of
funny
the
fungus
fungus.
is a bit.
Cool.
A bit funny.
How are we? So do we have that authority as FBI agents? We have that authority.
You're FBI.
Yeah.
What?
You guys just want like a bowl?
Yeah,
Just get a fucking bowl.
Do you guys want to talk to the battalion? Huh?
What?
Or should if you want to show them laugh? Tell me what you guys are gonna do, bro. Didn't you say you wanted to talk to the battalion at some point?
I said something.
Oh, after knowing stuff? Yeah.
Because after knowing things, but I'm trying to think. We still need. She doesn't seem completely uninterested, but she also doesn't seem to be like
That on top of it.
Yeah, she doesn't seem to be like, oh my god, I'm on your back. Please tell me what's wrong with her, what happened, everything. She doesn't seem to be like that.
Yeah.
But we should say something. We should just walk out of here. But we can say for right now. So
All right. So what do you guys?
say with that so that we have more to work with than immediate the problem. We have to backfire because we end up getting more information because there's still a lot we don't know.
And you probably want to find out more about where everything is.
Yes. We can at least ask her if we can lock down the lab. Or quarantine the lab.
Well, we're not going to ask her.
Tell
We're
her.
FBI.
You can just do it.
Yeah, but we want to let her know.
We do it first and then tell her later.
But no, we're going to do it along the lines of essentially what we're doing is still building leads and stuff like that. And we want to make sure no evidence is tampered with.
More than it already has been.
Yeah. And so we want to make sure, because of that, we need to lock down the entire.
Okay. Let's do it in character.
You're doing this.
This is outside
You got the
my
charisma.
expertise. Okay.
Okay.
Well, no, you guys should both be talking with each other because
I have 40 persuasion.
What's the highest persuasion?
Persuasion.
I think the lowest.
Oh, did you get a boost?
No.
You can be as charismatic and still be persuasive.
Yeah.
With a gun.
You just need a really good gun.
It's called intimidation.
Wait, fish?
Sir, can you please show us your fishing license? Here you go, sir.
So you guys go to Dr. Patel's and tell her about, she said, hey, agents, have you guys found any clues?
Thank you again, Dr. What the issue might have been. However, in order to prevent tampering of evidence.
I'm sorry, you mean the entire lab?
Yes.
Why didn't you just... Well, no one has access to Dr. Hopkins' office anyways. Why do you have to shut down the entire lab?
When we do receive more information and gather more information about what happened to Dr. Hoffman, I think it will be perfectly okay for us to reopen. You mean Hoffman's lab?
The one that we were searching Hoffman's lab.
You mean the office or the lab?
Her lab. Like her lab room. She has a separate lab.
She doesn't have a separate lab.
No, she has her own lab
bench.
bench.
Is the part of the...
Yeah.
She has her separate office.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then she says, I'm sorry, I don't think you understand the difficulty of just shutting... I can't just shut down the entire lab. We have ongoing experiments that we've been prepping for weeks. And if we can't just stop doing it, we have cells we need to culture, we have to check on the plants. It's going to disrupt our entire timetable. There's no...
Persuade! Me of all people, rolling.
By the way, you have luck.
Go, Galen!
29.
Oh my god.
He succeeded!
What do you think you said to her? You're going to pull your big boy pants back up and...
Yeah, essentially I'm gonna explain to her that
I'm the motherfucking FBI.
Yeah. We're as the FBI we have the right to cordon off this area temporarily. You can get in contact with probably other laboratories. I'm not entirely sure how that would work, and relocate some of your experiments. But this is of great importance to us, as I understand it is to you, as Hoffman has worked in your lab for a very long time, and we wanted to try to figure out how to get her as quick bureaucracy on this conversation.
Not this conversation.
Okay.
With department head to actually gain or with detective Blake to actually get the tapes and stuff to lock down this part.
Oh, you got it. You have 70
Oh shit.
And do you guys want anything else you guys want to ask her?
Okay, so just to be clear, so we're not telling her about what Hoffman was doing.
No.
Not telling her about the contents of the email, obviously.
So the main things we are looking for. Wait, Stan, was there anything with her on her desktop computer that you needed to ask Patel about? I don't think so, right?
No, because she would know about the routine structures.
Yeah. So I guess the main thing we are going to be asking her are about locations. But I think we need to ask about these things in such a way that we don't give her the idea like, oh, this place that, oh, you know where the tissue cell lab is, you know, we want to check this out.
It's like, don't give her the idea that it's
So
a
you
level
just
of
wanna-
danger.
yeah, you just want to know where everything is.
You have good
Or actually, he knows biology.
It wouldn't be persuaded. So you guys ask her. She points to. She says that we have basically this is our main lab. Since we're working with plants, we have a separate two separate greenhouses. One is for our regular research, and the other one is to study plant physiology. That one is more rigorous on the container because we don't want our regular plants to get infected. And there is two TC rooms on this floor, and both of them are one is on each side of the hallway. And you guys know there's like two labs on this floor, so each lab uses one TC room. And she says that we over here we mostly do if you're working on the molecular side of the stuff, we use the TC room here. But there are also TC culture rooms on site.
Sorry.
Near the greenhouse facilities, so that it's easier access. Because
Email says
No, she was gonna. No, she didn't.
Quarantine. But where that is.
she also shows you where it is.
The quarantine room.
You know where the party greenhouse right across the street, like with the purple lights and stuff at night. It's actually right there. There's three. Like I'll show you. Like just go to the image map. Great. It's we can actually go there like right now. So it's across the street from the UC's House Stadium.
Thought so.
Yeah, so it's right there.
Oh, I know.
There's a bunch of greenhouses over
It's
there.
the ones that they were building for a while.
Yeah, and one of them has like a little building attached to it. And all right, what do you guys do? You guys leave
Let's all roll human intelligence.
Oh boy!
Oh boy!
I got 9.
Okay.
I got 7.
Oh my god!
Hey, let's go. Let's fucking go.
You get a sense. Both of you guys get a sense that.
I got a 6. Let's go.
6, 7, 8, or
I
6.
had 7. You had 9.
Okay.
Oh.
So three of you guys kind of sense that even your persuasion, she kind of like backed down on that. She understands you guys are Federal Bureau investigators that she brought in. Well, she didn't bring you guys in. She wants her to be found, but she doesn't think it's such a big matter that she's shut down the entire lab. She's gonna mess with you on the department head parts. So you have a feeling that she might cause trouble on the actual implementation of shutting down.
Oh boy, Galen, you better go to bureaucracy.
What do you have?
Bureaucracy. I have 40.
You have. Wait, don't you have
I have 30.
You have 7.
You know what? I will allow you guys to 8 if that row comes up. She'll give you bonuses. If that's okay. Alright, that's it. Tell me your next plan. Now it's around early to mid-afternoon.
Like 2, 3-ish?
2, 3-ish.
Okay.
You guys probably starving right now.
I brought an MRE with me.
Bro, why are you eating MRE? We're in the
No,
You
you
should
US.
just go to fucking.
The lab manager says, you guys cannot eat in lab. No drinking and food in lab.
I pull out a chip, I just eat it. No.
I would take
I've already finished my food. Do you think they looked at me specifically?
Yeah, they're like,
It was like,
Well, you
sir,
finished that a while ago.
just, sir, please stop eating it.
Minecraft eating noises.
So what do you guys do?
so.
Fuck MREs, I'm going to eat food. Real food.
Again, I'm present for us.
We see Shaw's Halal. It's like the freaking food truck, we just get that.
Alright, all of you guys get a chicken combo.
Yeah. We're like,
$15.99.
and I say, Jesus fucking Christ, stuff in California is expensive.
Is $15.99 what it was in 2020?
Probably.
Where's like it's not a cult.
I mean, listen, this is compared to Alabama. Like stuff in Alabama, you were like gas that cost like $2.
I know.
So everything.
I'm aware.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm aware.
Alright.
Okay,
So you guys
good
eat up.
Oh, hi, where? Nice to meet you.
Good sir, would you rather be eating MRE right now?
Actually, yes, I got this.
So you want to implement the lockdown, right? Are you gonna call the
I think
detective?
before, yeah. So I think the first thing we should do is call the detective to see if that is something we because I feel like it would be a waste of our time for us directly to go to the department head and be like, oh, let's shut this down. If we can get someone else to do it for us while we continue our investigation.
You still need to do the bureaucracy.
Yeah, the role, yeah. And that would be something we probably need to do with Officer Burke.
Well, I fucking chucked my burner phone already, so I can't do it.
Wait, why'd you chuck your phone?
Well, the burner
All
phone
of you guys
was
have
for
regular
free.
phones that you can call her.
Yeah. Just regular
Alright,
phones.
He takes out a Nokia, he's like, oh my goodness.
No, take out a Nokia as a burner phone. Okay, breaks it in half.
So what do you guys do?
Oh my god.
Can I have some tissue paper?
Oh my
Maybe we
god.
all
What
roll.
the Nokia?
Maybe we all roll into
There's one right there.
Somebody who's
I just want to use it.
Alright, so just go get paper towel.
Why'd you grab it?
You know, I have a friend who's, to this day, honestly, like, I would not be surprised if he's still
I do.
That's a
Women have cooties. That's why I never touch them.
Isn't that like unwilling? Involuntary?
No, it's because they have cooties.
Is that why you're gay?
Who's calling the fucking detective?
somebody with good persuasion / bureaucracy probably.
Then that's Gail.
Bro, Olivia literally said that, I feel like, because it's literally me.
Alright, do it.
That was a prompt that was clearly directed at you. That wasn't a I don't know who it is. That was a this is you.
Okay.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, so I call, hello, Detective Burns, this is Agent Cross with the FBI.
Blake's. My name is Detective
Wait, what did I call her?
Burns. I don't know who that is.
Burns.
Do you know multiple detectives? Cheating on me? Hello.
Detective Blake, this is Agent Cross with the FBI. We have recently been conducting our investigation at Professor Hoffman's laboratory.
Hopefully you guys have made some progress on that.
Yes, for sure. At the moment, we don't have any significant evidence, but we have a couple leads.
Of course.
That we will be taking a look at. And once we take a look at those, we will be sure to get back to you on any information that we find. However, it seems that there is more that needs to be discovered at the lab, and I think it is in our best interest to initiate a lockdown of that lab specifically. We believe that should I say that it's possibly a crime scene?
Can't tell about that.
So basically, yeah, I think I'm just going to say there is more evidence that we can collect from the lab, and we don't want any tampering of evidence.
Okay, I understand. This seems to be quite extreme, but since it was the matter at hand and the reason why you guys are here, I think it might be necessary. I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
And it should be.
Did I need to roll bureaucracy?
The Royan now, like you probably know that she's gonna keep. We don't have to roleplay this, obviously. She's probably going to keep you connected with departments and because you can do it yourself as well, but you don't want to deal with the actual work to do it with your time. So she's gonna do the initial work, and you have to file the stuff yourself. So if you want to give me a bureaucracy role now, it's fine. Whoever want to aid can help aid.
How the hell does aid work?
Well, you need to succeed in your check to give them a bonus.
Oh boy, do I do mine?
So
I can attempt if I fail. What happens
Fail
if
is
I
fine.
fail doesn't.
If you critically fail, it's a different story.
Okay. What bureaucracy do y'all have?
It's 30. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't roll.
Should I roll because I have the best luck? Well,
The bidding line.
Okay, wait.
Yeah. By the way, you can also spend your luck. Spend your luck, so when you actually need them, you don't have them anymore.
Well, I would
Wow.
Wait, are you rolling your bureaucracy?
No, but you guys are rolling yours, so if you guys...
Yeah. Galen rolls last.
Wait, so you have... So the amount of luck you have, does it ever replenish?
Yes.
Okay.
So we would do.
It's like
you
another
roll
one.
at 1d100 every start of the next. So the next beginning, you roll 1d100.
Okay, but
if you fail that roll, you get luck. 1d10, and you can never go above your maximum luck.
Which is what we have now.
Yes.
Okay, 40, go! 32, I succeed.
Okay.
So I get a what?
Plus 10%.
So you get an 80.
What do you have?
Okay.
I'm not gonna
Guys, no way I fail it.
You're like max cap of bureaucracy.
90. 99.
Galen, what the fuck? I helped
Roll an advice rate next time. All right, with the 99, you file everything. You know, they give you all the documentation. He was aiding you, so you guys were doing. I know how to do this. He said, even though I hate my desk job, I know how to do this. I know how to deal with the bureaucracies. And maybe you just putting a slur somewhere. You didn't notice that.
There's Galen, I succeeded.
Nobody was proofreading you. Said, yeah, this is easy. I done it all the time in the army. You haven't seen it, so you send it. You don't know what's gonna happen. All right.
You were too busy being racist in the art.
So it's almost the end of the day. What do you guys want to do right now? And what do you think you guys have on you? What do you think you brought with you?
Well, I have my commission vehicle, so everything I have.
I mean, I probably don't have much. I mean, maybe my... I don't know if I have my military
Did
idea.
you bring your gun with you? Did you bring
No,
your
I
gun
don't
with
have
you?
my gun.
Okay.
Not bring my gun.
Does anyone brought their gun with them?
Oh, I definitely have my gun.
Oh, because you guys can carry what firearms?
Oh yeah, because you're FBI.
You FBI.
Oh yeah, so then yeah. I probably have my gun.
He doesn't have one because he's bad at shooting.
I don't have it.
Or you know, because he's just...
I will only have my frags. No.
I only have 4 incendiary grenades, by the way.
Oh yeah, I have pepper spray.
I probably have like my normal stuff on me.
Cool. So tell me, guys, what do you guys want to do from here?
Can we buy this man some pepper spray?
Get food.
You ate already.
No, this is later now.
No, it's
later
like
in the
2
day.
p.m. now.
Oh yeah, you already ate. Typing, and then these two are probably like on their phone and helping, and then it was like,
I'm like,
right, she's black.
Oh,
All right, what do you guys do?
Don't worry, detective. She filed it. She could stay in
storage.
Yeah, storage.
You don't know which TC room is the key for. So you guys,
so we can get the PPE from the store.
yeah.
so you go to the storage room. It's like you see cabinets of alcohol.
What?
Alcohol,
yeah.
Isopropyl alcohol. Jesus.
You see where they stored acid and the base cabinet. You see where they have like the stocks for like their gloves, their face masks. You see where they have extra lab coats. You also he actually brought all of this stuff himself for the field kit. You also see some the other stuff like the pipette tips on the micro, and and then the TC room you see is right next to the door, right next to the storage unit.
Okay, it's just TC room number 1 or something.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Sorry, you just.
So did we see anything in the storage room?
we have alcohol.
Are you taking anything?
PPE.
You're taking only just
Okay, what else is this? Alcohol? You said PPE.
strong acid, strong base.
Disposable gloves anywhere?
Like literally what a storage room for a lab would
So
have.
there's no need for a search roll.
No.
It's pretty organized. It's well kept.
They have to.
Yes, they have to, because housing safety inspection is coming up. You dummy! That who spills? And then you see, yeah.
Oh my God! It's every
And you said the greenhouse is outside, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try the key on that TC room.
The TC room isn't locked.
You want to do it under the table?
Yeah. So
No, just like because you're
you
trying
get
to
in, and you see the UV light is on for the fume hood to see that it's like this is growing,
I might use the one.
and then you
use that one.
Yeah, no, this works.
and you don't see anything out of the ordinary.
It's saying just under your feet is
So nothing out of the ordinary in that TC room.
Yes.
Okay.
The TC room that we just searched.
Yes.
Yeah, the TC room right next to it. So there has to be another one.
Would you happen to know?
No, I've never been in this building.
No. Dude, we know there's two TC rooms.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're TC room 1, nothing of importance.
Okay, nowhere to let's find TC room number 2.
Which is on the
Well,
opposite
the
side.
opposite is not their lab, so you just
So you check the other one?
you check the other one. It's locked, but it doesn't
Okay.
even say Patel lab on it.
Okay, let's try the key then.
It doesn't.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work, man.
No! About the key? Okay, wait. Who has the biggest strength?
And then the big bulky, security. What the hell are you doing? What you guys doing now, bro?
Okay, so we know.
Broski.
So we didn't see anything in TC room. We don't need to do
It's you see TC room, but it's so well kept because it's a common. It's like a shared TC room that like everybody in the lab uses. Later in the day, nobody came in because you just assume that it's not a very busy lab right now. The couple stuff you can do now is either there's the grad students, there is the grad students, Stephen Grant. There's
also her house.
There's her house.
There's Stephen Grant's house, there's her house.
There is the greenhouse.
Yeah. Let's go greenhouse because it's right behind the building.
Yeah. Is that where the quarantine room is?
Depends on which greenhouse you guys are going. Yeah, which one are you going?
Probably pass out.
Yeah.
I don't see why it'd be in the
Regular greenhouse.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys going to the
And we all have PPE on still.
Yes.
You brought your PPEs.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
Maybe he has a cooler PPE with like a better respirator.
Yeah. He actually gets the hell hazmat.
Well, I feel like you do because I was on the character sheets for
Yes. It was.
you. Like the respirator is for. I think you guys have regular face masks, and he has a respirator.
Can I get a KN95 or something? Do you have extra masks, Doctor?
It's actually an N95 would be better than KN95.
Yeah.
So it's travel. It's the driving distance. If you want to drive, or you guys want to walk over there. It's nice out. It's really hot in the middle of the day. Well, like late afternoon out, but like it's pretty hot. You know. This guy's sweating with the double jacket on.
Yeah, because they put
the New Yorker jeans of Iris are like I'm sweating.
Also, you guys are walking. When you guys are walking through the campus, you don't see any like, like what you call it?
People.
Weird shit.
No, like the cameras, CCTV cameras. But you do see some CCTV cameras in the building.
Inside the building.
Yeah, it's not nothing out of the ordinary. It is a lab.
Is alertness like perception?
Yes.
Okay.
You do see a CCTV. If you guys want to pursue any,
Okay.
just letting you know it exists.
Are we driving? Are we going?
No, the pathological. Where's the pathological one?
We'll have to drive or walk.
Driving walk.
And where is it
Drive because
specifically?
you want AC.
Where's it specifically?
It's
Well,
across
the house stadium,
It's the green.
by the swimming pool.
Yeah.
Well, no, not Shawls. By rec pool.
Yeah, rec pool. I only know there's one swimming pool, which is
Shawls is the one that's on the opposite side of the stadium.
And for some reason, they don't allow normal UC Dave students.
No, they don't.
All right. What do you guys do?
Stupid.
I assume we go to the lab. Not the lab. The greenhouse. We go and.
Prep house.
We will drive.
Yes,
Drive.
one AC.
No AC.
2 cars or one car?
No.
2 cars or 1 car?
I thought we only brought the one car.
Oh, you brought one
We
your
only brought
car,
the one
Cadillac.
Do we want the Caddy?
Or do we want the Ford Explorer?
I don't know. Which one has more horsepower?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't-
It's like a 5-minute drive.
Not even.
I assume the only difference is the gear you have on there.
Not even. It's like
Right?
it's like a minute and a half.
It's yeah.
And on
Depends-
flat road.
It
Yeah.
depends on
At
what
best,
gears
there's
you
two
have.
lights
You want to
there.
which yeah.
Okay.
Did you say you keep your weird your secret compartments?
Yeah, in my Caddy.
Yeah, right. So what car? It doesn't matter. Whose car are you guys taking?
You want to roll?
Do we want my Caddy?
I don't care.
D2, go. Okay.
Roll off.
Okay, D2. 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6.
So literally a coin flip.
Yes.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. My car.
So you guys are taking his SUV
Yeah.
to and then you see this building. It looks like the greenhouse building, like the regular greenhouse building. The only difference is it's not transparent, so the lights are less less transmissible. You can't really see much from the outside. It's a pretty big greenhouse if you guys has been there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it has a small building attached to it. And the entrance to the greenhouse is through the small building. I'm gonna see something. My bad. It's a almost in the middle of the summer, so there's not really much people. You don't see anyone there. You assume that people are left work early today, even though it's a Monday, but it's a summer break. So you don't see any securities, you don't see any fellow researchers who is there. The place seems to be empty, and you guys park the car in front of the building or in the parking lot, and you don't pay on your AMP parking ticket. You guys
We're gonna get a $64 ticket in the next hour.
Yeah, you guys go and enter the small building, right? And
Can we roll for alertness outside the building?
Yeah, sure.
I have an 80. Should I still roll?
Yes, do it.
Yeah.
Alertness.
Okay, I failed.
I got a
Wait,
0.
you want to use this?
Alertness.
That's
go.
100. You critical failed.
83, I failed.
No, it was on this.
The smell of cow poop is so pungent.
100, I also failed.
Wait, actually,
I have an 80 and I
All
have a
right.
critical
So you don't
fail.
see any. Did you succeed it? Okay, you succeeded with a what?
4.
Okay, so you don't see anything. You see with your alertness, you don't see anything out of the ordinary. But as you walk next to the building, you see the difference between the containment, which is like a pathological greenhouse and regular greenhouse, is it seems like to have a more powerful environment control system, like a bigger fan. But you don't see anything out of the ordinary. So you go up to the quarantine building, and you see there is a place where you have to swipe a card to get in.
Card key. Swipe our card.
You were given a visitor key card.
Didn't we take her wallet and her phone?
Yes.
Does she have a card?
Yeah. You were going through. You go through her wallet was $50. Agent Grant takes it and put it in the pocket inconspicuously, thinking no one will know. But everybody sees that. And he sees the UC Davis ID card. Do you try it? You try it. Ding! And then you open the door, and the entrance. No, it's not. It's not that crazy. So it's you open the door, you walk in, and there's a white LED lights on the hallway. You see liquid nitrogen tanks. Liquid nitrogen tanks, like probably empty ones in the hallway. Not safe, by the way. You walk in. You see like there are some like a rest area where you can see there are coffee mugs. There's a refrigerator in there. There's a chair and desk. You assume that's where people have lunch over for break. You see there is a small room next to it, a conference room, and wait a sec, yeah, a conference room next to it, and you see what seems like a control room. A control room with like. Does anyone have electrical engineering and stuff?
I do. I have literature craft. No, I don't.
Oh, that's
close enough.
do you have mechanics?
I craft mechanic, yeah.
Okay, you see, you can tell it's the control system for the building's circuit, the electricity, the lighting, the environment control. Give me a roll to see if you can see something more specific than that.
38.
Okay, you do see, other than the regular building controls, you do see a separate control system for the quarantine isolation. So you would know with successful roll, you would know that system is designed for in regulating filtering air, so that they don't just pump like pathogens all over the place into the outside world. So there's filter and there's climate control inside and a fire control. So like also automatic sprinkle system. You can see that the fire control system is online operation. The climate control is offline and the quarantine is online.
Is the quarantine air filter?
Yes, it's online. And if you look deeper into it, there is error code. It says change filter.
For the climate control?
For the quarantine control.
Okay.
Change filter. You don't know where it is.
You also don't know what to change.
She doesn't know. She's looking at the system. Oh my god.
Just plankton mode.
And then obviously you see like a fire hose, fire extinguisher, and our good old friend, a fire axe. But that's the one for the actual building. You haven't gotten into the. What do you guys do?
definitely not messing with those.
No mess with
But
those.
In the
climate
past life, I
controls-
would take the fire axe.
So, guys, be careful. Let's be careful.
Wait, does he have really good PPE?
Even if he has really
good PPE.
He does have a good respirator.
Let's guys. Let's.
I don't think. Okay, you guys haven't explored everything yet. You see one door in front of you that looks like a. There was no windows on there, and there's another key card swiped that you need to get inside.
Yeah. I'm just gonna let them know first that it's like,
Okay.
guys, just be aware if we end up going into quarantine, masks have to be because
Do we
the
see
air
any like?
filter.
Do we see any higher quality?
You don't see it just yet. You're still outside of the.
Because air filter.
Oh, this is outside?
Filter. Yeah.
Yeah.
The filter needs to be changed in the quarantine room, and the climate control is off.
Alright. What do you guys do? You see the entrance to the greenhouse is right in front of it, the hallway. It's not that far away.
Oh, this is we're in a small building.
It's a small building right now. And then from outside you see there's a connection between the small building and the greenhouse.
Yeah, we're in an annex.
You're in an annex. What you guys
My computer.
what you guys do?
You need a charger?
No, I charge. I read.
What do you guys
What are we gonna do?
do?
Roll my military science.
You know nothing.
I also have military science. I don't think it's gonna help us at all.
Alright, what do you guys do? Tell me. Come on, chop chop.
Tell us, Vinny, what are we gonna do?
What the fuck?
Luis, what are we supposed to do here?
Okay, we unlock it and we send Stan in.
No, we're roleplaying. Luis, what do we do?
Man.
Well, but it's another cautious life to get to the greenhouse, right?
Yes, but it is quarantined at the moment.
No, it's not quarantined at the moment. The quarantine system is always online.
So if
Yes.
something were to happen, it's
Yes.
quarantined.
Yes. It's just we have to be aware that the quarantine system is not fully up to date.
He has the best.
As in, climate control is off.
A little
and air
anecdote for people who works in the lab, you would know that there's always a beeping noise. And the beeping noise is always from one of the filters, even though if you changed the filter already.
That's funny.
Do we hear the beeping noises?
No,
Okay.
not in the annex at least.
And he has a better PPE. Said you have a better PPE.
No. You haven't explored everything in the annex yet. You don't know if there's more PPE.
Okay, so what other rooms are there?
There's literally the room. So you don't just open a room into a quarantine area. There's. If you never seen any movies about you entering
Not
a
like
lab.
a greenhouse.
No.
So
for animal rooms, for instance, when you enter, you don't just go open the door and go into where the animals are. You have to go through where you have to change, to put on gloves.
Right.
You haven't seen that place yet.
Oh, we aren't even there yet.
You're not even there yet.
Okay, so we move forward. To go there.
So there's nothing in the room that we're in the.
No.
This
This
is
is
the
where
control
people.
room.
This is where people take off their PPE, you assume, to have lunch.
Oh.
Okay.
I think.
A little bit
I
too
think
much
you
cocaine
can
in
share
there.
it with. You can share it with the. You can share like what I said to you. To the players, to them, so your characters know what they're saying there.
Dr. Ju, is there anything you'd like to inform us of?
Because he works for the CDC. He works with the pathogens. He works with these stuff.
Wait, yeah.
He would know exactly what you guys.
Wait, Stan, hey, what are you not telling me, man?
You think you mean Dr. Who?
Ju!
Dr.
So what do you do?
Jewish man.
What did I miss? No, not you.
So
That's how you pronounce it, though.
you want to do it in character and tell the other people. You're looking for it first. You're looking for the entrance to the outer
Yeah,
house.
guys, hold on.
I thought we were already in there.
You're not. You're in there.
No,
I've been
it's like
there
the
so
one
many
room.
times.
And then there's like the.
You swipe the card again, and it's unlocked. You guys get in, and it's a separate area connecting between the greenhouse and the annex. It's one of these, so it's literally a room between two big rooms where you change and where you put your personal belongings and stuff over there, like your water bottles. No, your water bottles are outside. Like where they keep all the PPEs, Galen.
The big B.
So what do you guys do? You guys see a full body suit, like the ones you have to. Not a hazmat, so not that far. But like it covers your hair. You have to tie your hair up. You have to put on shoe. What do you call it?
Shoehorn?
The shoe overs, yes.
Oh, shoe over.
And different kinds of gloves. Small, medium, large, extra large.
Alright, I'm putting the extra large ones on my feet.
And you do see better face masks they have at the lab.
take the
Not respirators, obviously. I think the only one who has respirator is you. Are you bringing it with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, dude.
The best you guys have in there are N95s.
Isn't that what we got in the other storage room though?
No.
That's the regular, the white.
Those are like the blue.
Yeah.
Surgical.
So I assume all of you guys change up. So you, there's something weird, not really weird. There is a window for the first, like that connects to the annex, but you don't see a window that connects inside to the greenhouse. So you don't see anything that's like you can't see through it.
Is that odd? Not really.
Not really, but
Roll for Milton Science.
70 pound value.
Okay.
All right.
you know, it's not odd at all actually. So you don't see something that's odd. All right.
Oh wait, can I bring my goggles? I have my goggles. Oh, can I check my compass?
What?
Check your compass.
Yes.
Oh.
Is there any abnormalities with
Oh.
I've had
that's
previous-
smart.
You would know there is nothing wrong. It's still pointing in the right direction.
I was like,
There is no electromagnetic interference.
Yeah.
All right, what do you guys?
Onward.
You open the door. All right.
No, not like that. Not like that, Louis.
Yeah.
You hear the
Fucking Among Us test.
dee sound, right? And
I think
then
Among Us is even out there.
who's the one opening the door?
Yes, it was. They released it later.
Oh.
Who?
Oh. It was
You're
impossible.
opening
So
it.
late.
So you open the door, guys. You open the door, and then you feel a little resistance. You hear a rustling of sound of leaves moving as you try to open it, and it stops. It half open, and do you push to fully open it?
Okay.
Kick it.
I'm just saying.
Okay, your CDC knowledge.
No.
Okay.
I don't really want
Okay,
to.
well we all see this too. We all see that the door does.
The door does budge.
Yeah.
He
Open.
feels a little resistance, and he chickened out and refused to open the door
Yeah,
first.
because I've gone through all of her research on X195. So I know that exposure to UV light, right, makes it go rapidly. I know it responds to
Human.
like not just human touch, but like to touch. Generally.
Yeah.
Just in proximity.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for.
So
You can also look what's stopping the door. If you
do I have to peek my head?
well, somebody else can see it, like from the side.
Yeah. I'm not gonna move the door any
Yeah.
further.
So he, Louise, take a
I'll probably
little.
also peek over because I think it's
Yeah.
probably like the
So
double heads.
two heads going to do now, and you see a little, it's like a plant with a pot underneath it, tipped over. When it's like little tall, it's not that tall, but like there's giving a little resistance to the door.
Just like Loki blocking the door.
It's low-key little box locking the door, and the pot is still intact, but it's just fallen over.
There was a pot in front of the door.
No, there's a freaking plant growing out of a pot that's tipped over. That's blocking the door.
How big is the plant?
How thick is the vine?
The vine isn't that thick.
How's it holding the door closed?
It's not holding the door closed.
No, there's
He
just a
literally
little
feels the
resistance.
resistance.
Yeah, it's just like a slight,
Yes.
like if there was like a shoot in front of the door, right? You'd feel that.
Oh yeah.
And by the way, as you enter, you can see they have different colors for different like containment levels, right? And this specific building, the specific greenhouse, there's multiple greenhouses. You went to the one that she worked at. The specific greenhouse is bio level 3, so it's not the top priority, but it's not also like
It's top priority 5.
It's like yellow. Biohazard level 3 escalation, and no entry was authorization. You guys entered with her key card. And you do hear as you open the door, because it's not like a vacuum, but they're isolated, right? So do you keep opening the door?
I guess so.
All right. So as you keep opening the door, after you guys will enter the where you change, you can hear the humming of a HVAC, which is the quarantine, like the air filtering system, the humming in the back. As you open the door, the first thing that hits you is the sound. It's different from where you were in annex. It's a little bit irregular.
The filters.
And you can hear the sound of metal clicking, like it's something is maybe not well oiled, like the fan maybe like da 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 da, like that kind of sound, and instead of like the consistent humming noise. And would everyone want to open roll 20? And I will.
How do I join?
invite you guys to my game.
Game.
Guys and girl.
Joining it.
Infection.
I'm gonna pepper spray the plants.
Invite players.
Kill it.
I will. What's your?
What's the
I will
name
share
of
the
the
link. I will share the link
I
in Discord. You guys see it? Let me launch the game first, obviously.
did. At least the Delta Green.
Verge.
Verde, like Verde, South Verde.
All right. Do you guys? Gillen's in.
Do I need to
Can I
allow
see-
my camera and microphone?
No, we're right here, so. I want to see what you guys look like from. You don't have to. Good. Good.
You can also roll.
You need to zoom out a little bit.
Though it is funner to hand roll.
All right, so this is what you guys. Is everybody in? Other than Stan, are you in?
Oh no.
I don't know.
Oh no. Olivia, I didn't change your token for your character.
So why?
I'm still white.
Before.
There he is.
All right, so this is what you guys see. Okay, you even though with the face mask on, you feel like the air inside the chamber smells sterile. You do smell a sharp tin of disinfectant, and you see rows of sealed protective suits, which you guys are already wearing. That's the description of the containment room that you guys are in. And as you guys see in the greenhouse, you guys feel as you open the door, you feel a wave of humid, oppressive air that just hits you directly in the face. And the contrast between the disinfectant chamber and the chaotic environment of the greenhouse, and it looks almost alien to you guys. The light is flickering. The UV light that was supposed to be on top of the chamber is mostly covered by these vines, overgrowing vines, and you see you almost feel like you're stepping into an alien jungle. You see the black vein-like tendrils that's kind of overgrowing all over the surfaces, and with a close look of the plants that was blocking the doorway, is that the pot wasn't tipped over. It was grown out of with these giant tendrils, but the small one was kind of obstacling the door. And you see immediate to your left a room that says tissue culture on it.
Oh. Okay. That's the tissue culture room we're looking for.
That's the one that I'm trying to keep.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing in the? Oh, you guys rolling in there?
Yeah, you can roll.
All right. So party order. Who's going in first?
Oh, it's not rolling initiative.
You haven't seen anything that's threatening to you.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Who's going in first? Okay. Stan volunteer. I'm going first.
I take my pistol out.
Oh, okay. Anybody else taking their pistol out?
Mind you,
I
He's whipping his
I
pistol.
will make sure it's at my waist.
So you have your hand on.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys walk into the room.
sharpshooter.
You guys can move your. I can't help you move them.
Oh wait, no, wait, I
I can't move mine.
Where do you guys want?
Oh no, I know how to move it. Hold on, give me a second. I know how to move
Are
it.
you guys-
Go to the
Yeah.
side, and instead of having the arrow, click the hand.
Hand.
I did that.
No. Click the arrow. Click the arrow. That's actually what you do.
No, I actually still can't move.
Also, what's your guys' HP? Each of you.
You guys see that?
HP. I have.
Yes, I can see that.
I have 14 HP.
What did I just do?
I don't know why I can't move my character. Usually I can.
How do I give you guys control of your character?
Usually it's the.
It's not locked. Hold up, guys. Give me a second.
I don't remember how to do this.
I got it.
Okay. I'm also trying to figure out how to change this picture here. How did you change the picture, Galen?
Wait, how do I undo? I actually don't know what.
What the fuck did you do? Why are you?
There is.
Wait, let me check. Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, there's also ways to draw arrows to show the direction that you're going in.
And just like move the thing around.
It's like I could go from here to here.
Oh.
Motherfucker.
I'm trying to do the arrow.
Sorry, this is my first time using this shit.
You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Whoa, what was that?
It's an effect.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Well, you can do effects.
Haha!
Like acid breath, go!
Oh, there, I see it.
Ooh, magic.
Where's my erase?
Ooh, gay. I'm spraying the gay powder everywhere.
Gay!
Wow, I'm gonna make Luis gay.
Well, unfortunately, he made me gay, so now I'm on my period cycle and draw my menstrual blood.
What?
Slime.
Water.
Oh yeah, how about this?
Okay, I think I got it. Controlled by all players. Save settings. Guys,
Wait, holy?
I got it, guys.
Alright.
Slime.
Do we need to reload?
No.
No. It should be fine.
Hold
Oh, whoops, I didn't mean.
There we go.
Alright, can you guys move your characters now?
Yes.
Yes.
Check.
Yes.
Alright, cool. Good. And then you can probably also see where you guys can don't move that far. This motherfucker saw shit.
Alright, now I'll spray my right. I'm sorry, that's so funny.
Alright, what do you guys want to do now? Tell me, go through it.
I'm entering first, right?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Alright, so give me a search roll if everybody's getting into the greenhouse.
Oh wait, search roll.
Search roll.
19.
Don't.
Fail.
Let's do it. I'm blind.
You want to use an extra
Wait,
die?
Yeah,
that's
it's the
so.
dice.
Search is 20.
I
Gotta look here. Under 20.
Still get it?
No.
Oh.
I got a 72. I failed.
I got a 63.
Did anyone succeed?
No. But it takes us longer.
I would no. I would say your 19 give you something.
Yay.
You see the there's a clipboard of people writing who is using, when is using, and you see that nobody has used it. The last entry was Dr. Helen Hauman, and it seems like that this specific greenhouse is reserved for her lab, and she seems to be the only one who's working on the pathology part of it now. So she was the last entry for it. Nobody else has entered this room since, and her last time she was here was Friday, the day that she disappeared. And you see that the TC room is ajar.
Oh.
So the place is actually super dark with flickering lights on there.
I take out my flashlight.
So you have the flashlight out and look, so you can only see part of it at the same time. And you see
It's a tactical flashlight.
yeah. So you see the middle of the room is a giant tree like plant that has. You don't know what a greenhouse will look like. You don't know what they're having in there.
I mean, I can imagine a greenhouse, like a
Yeah.
greenhouse. I
And then you can see there are rows of not benches, but like where they keep the pots. And
So there are these there are these tables, and then they have the plants on
Plants
top.
on top.
Yeah.
And as the agents walk into the greenhouse, you also, with successful search roll, you also see there's a fan with a giant plastic tube connecting to somewhere else, and the fan seems to be covered with a blackish dust. Maybe you don't know. Maybe that's the cause for the clicking sound and the malfunction. All right, what do you guys do?
So the room adjacent to us is TC.
And it's open.
Ajar.
Let's go look in.
Is everybody going inside?
I'm gonna look at it.
All right.
To the guy
Wait,
that
before
like,
we
I
go
wanna go in.
Guys, before we go in, we have to burn this.
What are we burning here?
What are we burning with green flames? All right, so feel free to move your characters inside of the building.
Wait, is this the area where the
Why are you fucking spreading death around here?
I will let me know where you guys are going. Who's going where?
I thought you were going TC, right?
I'm gonna go look at the TC.
So that's the thing right below us.
All right.
Oh.
Who else is going
Where
where?
am I?
Just lying.
All right. Who else is doing what?
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stay outside the room and just continue looking around with my.
Your flashlights. Okay.
Okay, I should probably back up.
Wait, do you guys have flashlights?
I have a
I don't have a flashlight.
Okay, should I go back up a little bit then?
Are you guys pushing further into the greenhouse?
Okay.
Yeah, I think that.
Is there only one person going to the TC room?
I'm outside the TC room. So
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna be
you
right.
stick with
I'm gonna be
Stan,
right
I
outside. I'm
go-
not gonna be inside the TC.
So you stick with Dr. Zhu, I go with you.
Yeah.
All right. I will review the TC room for you and move your pound where you want, so I can review.
How do I make this?
Further for all of you
What the
guys.
hell do I
It's like there are passes to the right of Agent Louis and Agent Iris are blocked by stands of plant, but you do see a clear path through here.
that top part. Like, go to the usually discovered pathway down there.
You and Olivia?
Yeah.
Well, that's up to you guys.
We could.
You got role play.
This path doesn't seem to up down there.
Yeah. Let's go that way.
So we're moving together. Let's so cute. Let's go that way. And then you guys see more of the lab. There's more.
No, there's a door over there.
There's okay. It's like a janitor. So I will tell you guys. So, all right, stop moving your palms for a second.
Okay.
So, Dr. Drew, as you walk into the TC room, you see two fume hoods, and it doesn't seem to be as overgrown because the door was locked. Right? It still seems to they're tipped over. So there's a cabinet with the chemicals in there.
Wait, so I thought this door was open.
I know. It's just ajar, not fully open. So there's not like plants inside of it. And you open the TC room and you see two fume hoods. And the fume hood, surprisingly, one of them is still like it wasn't turned off. There's a protection, like they have like the safety glass is not fully drawn down. It's like half open, and the light is still on. Not the UV light, the regular light is still on. It seems like you walked into a middle of experiment. As you walking closer, give me a science roll. Yes.
32.
So with a successful science roll, you see that they're doing with the lab procedures you saw previously. You now understand what they're doing is doing a testing on the plant sample. And you, with your keen observation, and because the fume hood is tiny, you see two vials of black substances. One is open, one is closed. And you also see a leftover, a little bit of it in the pipette that they were using, whoever was using. And at the same time, what do you do with the vial?
Shit, I don't want to take it. I don't want to pay for this.
Yeah.
You have the samples back, by the way, to do stuff with it. So, do you want to take it or do you want to?
Can I get a sample and then do a small sample and take it with me?
Okay.
I don't know if that's a good idea, guys.
Do you want to talk to anyone about it?
Well, you can only talk to Galen. Me and Olivia.
Are investigating stuff.
I'll say, hey, Cross, I found some interesting things. You think Dr. Green would want some of this?
Let me look. Yes. Okay.
It's over here, right?
Yeah. I look around. I pan my flashlight towards the. Anything happen when I pan my flashlight towards the?
It doesn't seem to
you
be.
accidentally the flashlight.
It doesn't seem to be reacting to the light.
Okay. I have my black light.
I'll hold the closed vial, the one with the.
Are you holding it?
Yeah.
Okay, I have my black light.
Which is what? You have black light?
Yeah. I have.
Isn't that your NVG? You bring your NVG to this room?
Yeah, sure.
You have? No, you can't. Yeah, sure, Daddy. Yeah, of course. So, you're in. Give me a forensics check if anybody has it.
Oh, I have forensics.
I do.
I have none.
Forensics is 6.
Roy.
I have 30.
I have 40 stars.
My forensics is 0.
90?
67.
Do you guys want to use any luck on it?
How does luck work
I
again?
can use
Use 7 minus 7 then.
I use 7 luck points.
Okay. So with your successful luck roll, you form a picture of what happened here. You know that Dr. Hoffman was last one here. You see there's half. She was in the middle of the work, and you see that each files are labeled with a number. Obviously, so sample 195, #1, #2. And with your successful forensics and your knowledge in biology, it seems like each file is around 200 microliters. There's probably more than she probably collected way more than what you see here. So you're assuming that some of it was taken. She took some of it, and it seems like she left in a haste. And at the same time, as you guys are investigating further into the, if you guys want to move your pawn even further in, do you guys want to move your pawn further in? So as you guys are walking through the greenhouse, you guys are in the beginning. the path seems to be clear. The further you go inside, you need to like move your leg up to go across some of the higher vines and stuff. Maybe you need to rip some of it down or something. It's not hard for you to get through, but the deeper you get into this alien-looking jungle, you see weird bioluminescent lights pulsating in some of the plants deep inside, and some of it right next to you. It seems like to be reacting to your guys' approach.
Do we
roll
remember?
for the initiative. No, you don't have to roll for initiative. What is each of your initiative? What's your dexterity?
We're still in the room. We're still alive.
Well, you guys are not. You guys are. These two.
Is it just dex?
Yeah, what's your dexterity?
Mine's 9.
What's
17.
yours? 17.
17.
17.
Hey, I'm like, hey, what's up? No, anyway.
Don't have to roll it. All of you.
It's a plan.
Let me switch to something. The combat music.
Hookah chugga.
No, this is like
You
beatbox mode beatbox.
Olivia, with your high dexterity, you see plants extending their tendrils towards you, and this is what they look like.
What I'm seeing on the screen.
You literally what you're seeing on the screen, but it's smaller, so I will just show you guys bigger.
Ew, interesting. Ew.
What?
That's what she said.
What?
What?
I said, oh, interesting. Ew.
Yes, that's what she said.
That's
That's what she said, but.
Where's the fuck are the plants?
Give me a second, guys.
Alright, no, I got it, guys. I got it. From here.
All right, this is what these motherfuckers look like.
Fireball.
Yes.
Don't worry, guys. I got it.
And what do you guys call out to other people for them to come in, or
First,
Well, I'm gonna pull out my gun because I didn't pull it out yet.
I'm gonna back up and pull out my gun.
you're
are they,
near
coming
them?
towards me?
So this is what you see. You see that they don't seem to be very mobile, but you are surrounded by its vines behind you.
Oh,
It's surrounding you guys.
So I can't back up or go anywhere.
You can go forward, closer if you want, if that's what you want to do.
Guys, I'm gone.
I am a Jesus.
If you want to move closer to them, I will certainly let you do
No,
so.
I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna move any closer. I'm gonna stay where I am.
Yeah.
She's staying where she is. This is saying that she's staying where she is.
I'm gonna call out cross. Jew. You have a problem.
Alright, so since this is Olivia's first ever Delta Green combat, we will let you know what you can do.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Do we need to roll initiative?
You don't have to roll.
You don't.
Do you guys go outside and see what's happening?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you two go outside, and all you can see is this plant growing rapidly behind them. And it's not like if
like separating us?
yes, separating you guys. You guys are in initiative order. What's your dexterity? 5?
14.
14. Okay, so 17, 14. So you, him, Vinny, Stab.
Yeah.
So Olivia, here are the stuff that you guys are attack. You can when you do attack. You want to tell me what you do? You want to shoot them or fight them? The different kind of roles. You can do a called shot. That means you aiming at a specific part of the stuff you're trying to shoot at. But that also costs you at a minus. It takes yes. If it's covered, it's minus 20.
Okay.
If it's mostly covered, it's minus 40. You can try to disarm.
Oh, it's like if you're trying to shoot around a
Yes,
wall.
yes.
Yeah.
So it's like if you want to shoot at their head, like you're shooting at someone's head, you take a minus 20. You can disarm them. I'm not sure how you do that here. You can dodge.
Yes.
You can escape.
Dodge.
If you're pinned, you can fight back. You can move. You can pin. You can wait.
Is escape like disengage?
Yes. If you got pinned by someone, you can just try to escape.
Yeah.
And you can do anything else. Just let me know what you want to do, and I'll tell you what you can roll for it.
1 second. I just want to check something. So I'm gonna draw it. Is the plants like here around us?
Can you not see the tokens?
No, I can see them, but like you're saying, it's forming a wall.
Yes, it's like blocking the way here. You know, like where you walked out, like here.
Like here?
Here. I can draw on it.
Can you not see what I'm drawing?
Yeah, literally there. Literally there.
The line that
Yes,
I drew?
yes.
Okay.
So, tell me what you want to do.
Erase this now?
Also, we did it wrong last time, guys. Dylan?
Yeah, I hear you.
How do I erase?
If you try to fight back or escape, you use your next turn's action.
So I can't double act fight.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
DBZ fighting.
How do I delete? How do I delete? Not delete. How do I erase?
All right. So tell me what you want to do. Tell me what you want to do.
I'm just gonna draw this line. Who's moving me? Stop moving me.
All right. What do you guys want to do?
Okay, so
You see three main.
So I see three main
Yeah.
ones, and I see Luis. I see the wall that it's forming.
By the way, give me a sanity roll after seeing the bioluminescence.
Wait, you didn't see that though.
You saw that the plant is growing and it's supernatural.
We saw it bioluminescence.
You guys saw
How's that
that.
sanity though?
No, not you two. Not you two. We do because we saw bioluminescence.
Yeah.
Okay, current sanity.
Wait, but even if I saw a
Go! Fuck, 99.
You wouldn't see anything that can grow so fast that you see it with your
So I
naked
took the
eyes.
roll.
Give me a sanity roll.
So I took the
Okay.
God damn it. Critical fail.
failed.
Critical fail.
You got a 99.
You take 4 points of damage.
Man.
I failed.
1d4. So do you want me to roll it or do
I
you
got.
want?
I can
Okay.
roll.
Wait, under what do I roll under?
Supernatural.
Is this a
Wait,
1d4?
Your sanity.
Yeah, no, but
Current
what?
sanity. Your current
Oh, roll under my
Three.
current sanity.
3. You take 3 sanity points of damage.
So I go from 12 to 9.
No. Your sanity is not your will points.
Oh, right. So I take. So
That's
that
why
would be
I'm-
52.
Yes. So you two don't. The one who succeeds doesn't take any sanity.
So I have to roll. So just so I understand, for sanity, I had to roll. What did I have to roll?
You have to
below your current sanity.
Okay, so I rolled a 61. I 55. I failed.
You failed.
So for 3 points. Now I'm 52.
Yes.
Okay, so
next time you have to roll under a 52.
Yes.
okay, understandable.
All right.
Understandable. Have a nice day.
What do you do now?
Okay.
How do you respond to the sanity
Okay.
damage?
So there's. I see the three
Yeah.
bodies of vines.
Yes. Where the vine seems to be
I just
extending out from.
Okay. So I can either. I'm just talking my options out. I can either shoot at the vines that are blocking us to see if that's a way out, but that would probably cost a lot of ammo. Or I can shoot at the bodies themselves. I'm gonna try and shoot at the ones that are
Okay.
Is there like any form of like a head or just
You
like
just see.
it's
It's
like
like
a wear mask?
yeah. You see what a mask.
Okay. So I can
Alright.
shoot them.
Do you? I'm not gonna do anything because of the planks. So roll to 2 hits.
A medium pistol. I have to roll.
That's a 4.
Look what it looks like.
Give me your damage.
1d10. Where's the 10? Is this the 10?
Yeah.
Is this the 10?
Yeah.
Yes.
For 2 points of damage, you shoot at it, and you see the bullets kind of just chips away, and doesn't seem to be doing any damage to
Is
it.
it like go back?
It is. It's not its turn yet. All right. Now, Vinny, your character's turn. Louis' turn. What does he want to do?
Galen's turn? Because Galen has higher.
Oh, Galen's. I was like, Galen.
He's gone somewhere.
All right. I was like, you can. Have
Okay, I'm gonna pull out my gun and try to shoot at these entities.
Which one? There's
The one that in the tree. That's
3. Okay. Yeah. Roll for hits.
Roll for hit. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Glock.
Okay.
Use my Glock.
I cast Glock 19.
64 success.
Roll for damage.
Yeah, I need a D8 or D10. Oh wait, no, I have
You have that.
9.
For 9 points of damage. So you aim to the center mass and you fire a bullet at it. And I will tell you, I can actually change it. I'll tell you.
My unarmed combat is high. Should I just try and
You
fight
do
it?
know that you didn't deal max. That you like not all of the damage went through. Because it seems like the sick vine-like stuff is covering
So it absorbs some of the damage.
It absorbs some of the damage.
Plant epidermis. Hooray.
All right, Galen,
Yeah.
your character's turn.
You would have gone before me, but you just weren't here.
Yeah, I'll take this.
50
well,
frames of
Me and Jew are just like on the other side, so.
Why? Are you gonna try to hack at the vine?
Are you gonna hack at it or are you gonna shoot at it?
Yeah.
By the way, you don't know where we can see your friends now. You might penetrate it and shoot one of your friends.
Oh yeah, I'm kind of close to the wall.
Nobody sees me.
Because you have to wait. You have to wait a little bit. You're moving way too fast.
I know. I'm not moving.
But what's the frick is?
Checking something.
My friends.
Galen, what do you want to do?
Do I have to take a whole move to get near them?
You don't. You have a gun. You have to move near to shoot.
I'm not shooting them.
Oh yeah, you can. You can move up.
So it covers the entire walkway?
Yes.
Yeah. So we can't get
You can try to hack it open with your knife.
Yeah, I'll
Can
try
they still hear? Can they hear like the gunshots?
So you can hear the gunshots. Yes. All right. What do you want to do?
I'll hack at it with my combat knife.
This is where that fire axe would have been real nice.
I wouldn't say it will be a unarmed combat roll. I would say it will
Like
be more of a
strength.
strength.
I got it.
You got it?
Under 75, I got 38.
So you
With
can't
my combat.
with your combat knife, you hack open a part of it, and now you see the creature, well, the entities. You see the weird, ominous, fluorescing light coming from it.
Yeah.
And you already destroyed Cindy, right?
Yeah.
It is not Stan's turn. It is the creature's turn.
Which creature? All of them?
All of them. I'm gonna.
Oh, you're gonna have them all.
No, I'm gonna do in like a
Clockwise.
manner. So the creature closest to Olivia is going to try to
Am I allowed to dodge if it's not my turn?
grapple.
Oh yeah,
I
so
have
you
to
can
dodge
dodge. Yeah,
if
you
it's
can
not my
dodge.
turn.
But that's gonna use your next turn's.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
So here's.
I like this music.
Did you dodge?
I was going to, yes.
Roll for.
Roll dodge.
What's your dodge?
Fail.
I rolled 16. So you see these giant tendrils, several of them, kind of just trips you over. You unexpectedly.
Like I was trying to walk backwards.
You were walking backwards, and it just grabs by your ankle and draws you back with a supernatural, seems like a supernatural force. You fall back on the ground, and is growing near your leg and kind of restraining your movement. The second, in the clockwise manner, the second is going to do. No, you see.
Is it gonna do like spore shot or something?
Am I like
Exactly. You guys see, there's a black mist bursting from one of from the sensor mass in the middle, and it is rapidly dispersing and covering your general area. Everybody, roll me a Constitution check.
Oh!
With a +20 for Stan because he has a refrigerator.
Constitution, I got this. I have 70.
I have
Alright,
65.
16. Let's go.
3.
51, I succeed.
Succeed.
All right.
I succeed.
I succeeded as well.
All right,
Critical success.
Great. That's fucking great. All right.
No scores. Fuck you.
It's fine. You guys are fine. And the last fungus looking, plant looking,
That I just
human
shot.
looking, the one you shot is going to regenerate. So I was just keeping track myself.
Yo, guys, maybe we did.
I kind of can't.
Every time he played Salsa Green, he won a dip. Even though he was playing the most badass super soldiers you've ever seen. Was the biggest
He
gun.
did headshot the
Alright,
Amate.
alright.
That was crazy.
Your turn now. What do you want to do?
I don't have any weapons. Is there anything like I can?
You saw a chemical cabinet back there.
Molotov cocktail?
Go,
He definitely has the knowledge for that.
go retrieve some chemicals to throw at the mine or something.
You go back.
Oh yeah, there's the liquid nitrogen tank.
Give me. Oh, that's way outside. Yeah.
That's
Give me a roll.
The
Give
problem
me
with
a.
nitrogen is 'cause
Give me a search roll. Dylan, sit down, bro.
I'm waiting for my food.
He just fucking.
Fucking.
You failed. You can try again the next turn. Well, I assume you're looking for chemicals that you use in your
Just doing
aid.
a thumb shaker.
Are you not? What are you trying to do?
I don't know. I like Okay, if I did
Be creative.
Come on, Stan. Come on, be creative. The science of cognition.
Can I like fabricate a weed killer? Is that
Yes,
Okay.
of course you can do that. Well,
I
we
can't
try it next round.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the end of turn 1. Good job, everybody.
Yay! We're not there yet.
Turn 2. Olivia's turn. You
Am I
are
prone?
you're prone on the ground, and the couple option is your hand is still free, but you're gonna take a penalty for shooting at
Yeah,
anything.
thought so.
But you can try to escape.
Okay. That might be my only shot because I don't want this thing to like envelop me. Okay, so what would
If
be
you
my
like
roll
tree
to
hunters,
escape?
you'd be
What
fine.
would be my roll to escape it?
Bro, it's a weird eldritch tree.
Either
Loki
unarmed
anti-monster.
combat or
I think
strength
we
times
don't
5.
know where this is going.
We're gonna do strength times 5 is strength times 5 is 55. My unarmed combat is 60, so we're gonna go with that.
So your agent can dodge or fight back against an incoming attack even when your dex order is in turn. If you do this, it becomes agent's single action for that turn. An agent who has already taken another action that cannot dodge or fight back.
Oh, so I can't.
You couldn't even. I mean, you failed to dodge anyways.
Yeah.
So now.
Oh, right, I dodged, so I actually can't do anything this turn.
Yes. A roll to dodge oppose all hand-to-hand combat roll. Fighting back opposes all hand-to-hand attacks that turn. If you win a contest, you take no damage. It does not protect.
Move your turn.
Okay, so yes, you couldn't do anything because you're
Olivia's about to die. This music.
dun dun.
Don't tell me
Wait,
Olivia's
do I
fucking
actually
die.
have to check?
No.
It says at the bottom, check a box when you attempt to use a skill and fail. Do I still have to do that?
Sorry.
It says at the bottom of the character sheet, check a box when you attempt a skill and fail after the session. 1d4 minus 1
Yeah,
to each
yeah,
check.
yeah.
Allow you to check it.
Everybody filled their search rolls at once, so just put a plus sign next to your search roll.
Okay, plus against unarmed combat.
Yes. So yes, everybody only has one action per turn. All right. So you cannot do anything this turn. We go to Galen.
Oh god.
What do you do?
Magic music is hitting.
You can help to get Olivia free if you want.
Am I through the vines?
Yes, you're through the vines.
Okay, great. Alright, I see Olivia.
I failed 2 rolls.
And so she's like enveloped by this.
No, it's just my leg.
Her lower body is involved.
Okay, never mind.
Can I go over and like chop it? Chop it?
Yeah.
Just be careful and not hit my leg.
No, I'm going for the thigh.
Unless he fail his,
Critical fail.
Right, you're gonna go for armor attack.
Is there a way for me to go far enough away where I wouldn't be able to hit?
What?
Or no, that's only if I critical
Yeah,
fail.
well, then you have to be really close to it because it's dragging it towards her. So you want to be away from Olivia. You have to be closer to the
Oh, can I
outside.
try to pull her back?
You might rip her in half. I don't know.
What?
No,
No,
I'm
it's
just joking, I'm just
unnatural
joking, yeah.
strength. It's like unnaturally holding me down.
Yes.
Wait, so it's holding you down?
It's literally wrapping around me and I'm prone.
Well, no. The strengths you can try.
No, but like my thing is it pulling you towards?
You want to like help her break free.
No. What is the plant doing to her? Is it just holding her down, or is it?
It's dragging her.
It's
along.
dragging me.
You can try to cut her, let her cut free.
You can either cut me free, pull me out.
Wait, what's Luis doing?
Oh, I just
He
shot it.
shot it.
And it's regenerating, so I'm just like, what the
for
fuck?
for 1 hit point, by the way, if you want to see what happened behind it.
So, but the one I shot didn't regenerate though.
And what would I use to
Because
check
you
if
tried
I?
to-
What would I use to check if I can successfully?
Armed combat,
Melee weapon.
melee weapons.
Come on.
That's your melee weapon.
By the way, you have a big ass knife. You have Bowie.
Bowie
It's
knife?
50, bro. What do you think, Olivia? Should I go for it?
Okay, so it's either
50 melee weapon.
which is better, your strength or your melee weapon?
My strength, definitely.
Then go for strength.
Okay, so this is strength to try to pull her.
You trying to pull her, or you trying to help her to break loose?
Oh, okay. I'll try helping her break loose.
All right, I'm gonna roll against that with my strength.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever number is higher wins.
Yes.
And but you also have to
I have-
in there,
yeah.
a higher number.
I got 74.
I
This
got-
is right below my 75.
I got a 59, and you're bigger than mine.
Yeah.
So you succeed. So you help her, like you. I just imagine with that number, you probably rip some
Yeah.
part of it apart,
Yeah.
and she's break free, but she's still prone.
Yeah.
Now is Louis' turn.
Yay! I'm gonna shoot
I swear, I always get attacked first every single time I play.
I'm gonna shoot that thing again!
All right,
I literally got
roll for
blasted by
shooting.
33.
33.
Yeah.
You just do 2 points of damage again. Boom!
Another 10.
You may be shooting at like one of the places where it's pulsating sometimes, and you shot at it and you take a huge chunk out of it, and you deal 10 points of damage.
Yeah.
Well, how many points did you deal last time?
9.
I need to keeping track now. God damn it.
You need to keep track of their HP, bro.
Yeah, I know. So 10 points of damage now. And then 9 points of damage last time. Alright. Okay. Going to my turn now. I am going to try to hit you.
Now I can dodge.
The second.
Now you can use your option to dodge.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, which one? Is it the first creature next turn?
The first creature next to her. The one
Yeah.
who hasn't taken a lot of damage. She basically, yeah. Alright. Are you dodge?
51. Can I use
51.
luck?
You can use luck.
Use what?
One
I
probably.
need 1 because I need a 50.
Do you want to use it?
Yeah.
Alright.
It will just go down to if I have 40 luck, it'll go to 39.
Yeah. So one of it lashed at you from the top, like wham, going down, and it's you can tell he was going for like between both of you. So like, but mostly to you because you were prone to have a. Oh, you're prone.
Oh wait, I would
Minus.
wait. It would be minus 20, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it will be.
Okay.
So
So I'm gonna ignore that luck then.
So
and I would have missed. It would have hit.
It hit you right in like maybe you try to dodge out of the way, but let's see what I roll for damage and to see.
Jesus. We just hear a
I'm
weird
falling
crack.
and I can't get up.
Ooh! I rolled the maximum damage. I rolled 6 points of damage. Are you guys wearing any body armors?
Can we assume we are?
Um,
Well, I don't know about Olivia.
I didn't put anything on here for body armor.
Well, FBI agents have those.
Oh yeah, so
What armor? What kind of armor?
I assume that you guys are just walking
I have
around.
my Kevlar body armor.
also I took 3 points of damage.
So, yeah, that
I
would
took
be the-
3 points of damage earlier, didn't I?
No, you didn't. I didn't do any damage to you.
No, there was
No,
something.
he just grabbed you.
Yeah, I grabbed
No,
you.
earlier there was.
No, you didn't. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay,
it
so
would
I
be-
meant half health.
So you would +3. You have +3 too. So you don't take full damage. You take 3 points of damage.
So I'd be at.
Yeah.
Do I add?
Galen has the better armor, but he probably is not wearing it
Where do I
because
put
probably
my-
wearing the same armor.
Where do I put my armor?
So how many wounds do you have? How many HP does everybody have?
Okay, so I have 12, but I have this memory that I lost.
You
2
did
points
not.
of
Trust me, you did not lose your HP.
When have we fought anything?
No, it was when you were going up the stairs.
No, that was
No.
Stan.
Yes. So you have 9 points of health right now.
Yes.
Fuck, not 94. 9. Galen, how many points do you guys have?
I have 14 hit points.
I also have 14 hit points.
What about Dr. Drew?
I am probably gonna go get him.
11. All right.
Now, you need to unplug mine.
The second guy is gonna go for. I'm gonna roll a d3. 1, 2 is you. 3, 4 is you, and 5, 6 is Louis. 2.
Oh my god.
See what I mean?
I'm gonna go get my
It happens
charger.
every time.
Be right back.
You already dodged, so you can't dodge again.
Uh-huh.
Let's see if I hit you though. I failed with a 91. And the third one, since it got shot so hard, is gonna fight Louis.
I'm gonna yell.
Vinny, are you gonna?
Stop aiming for me.
You can either fight back or dodge. What do you want to do? But it's gonna cost you your next action, by the way.
What's the dodging takes an action as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's gonna cost your next.
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
Mine bought. There you go.
Which one do you want to do, or you don't want to do anything? Just banking on me missing.
But Galen, you see what I mean by my luck is always I'm the one that gets hit.
You know,
Yeah.
I'm gonna fight back. I have a feeling I'm gonna kill two.
With what? Your fist?
I don't have any melee weapons.
So you be fighting back with your fist.
Yes, so.
If I failed the same skill twice, do I?
No.
Pepper spray it, Danny.
You can try. I don't think it's gonna matter, but you can try.
Hit you
Alright,
with a minus 20.
What are you gonna do?
IS handcuff.
Or you can just not do anything and shoot it again next round.
Not do anything.
All right. Let me see if I hit you. I rolled another 92.
You missed.
All right. Give me yeah. Or yeah. It was a minus 20 to your roll because your dex is 5.
I failed at least 5 checks this game.
Well, which means you can get a lot of bonuses next time, bro.
I've also failed quite a few things.
All right, let me see what
I
you get.
failed all my search rolls.
I only got one of my
I failed again.
What's the what?
74.
What's your search?
40.
All right, boy. I'm trying to give you something.
Yeah.
Maybe next time you don't have to search anymore. You just I imagine there's so many different stuff in there, and you're in a panic. You're just opening different cabinets. Some of them is sodium chloride, hydrogen dihydrogen monoxide, and you have one last cabinet that needs to be opened.
Okay, so next turn you'll definitely get it.
Round 3. Everybody give me a perception. Perception?
Alertness?
Alertness, yes.
Okay, please don't roll. God, actually.
I succeed.
Okay. You see that there are UV lights. You don't really see them when you walk in. It was so dark, and the reason why it was not transparent is because it was covered with black spores. And now with successful alertness, you see that these lights are actually overgrown. It's not because they're not on. It's because most part of it is being covered by these giant plants, but not any plants. It is covered by bark tissue, and it's like. But when there is UV lights shining on, the creatures that you guys were fighting, they were occupying most of the spaces, but where the UV lights are.
Oh, they're not where they
Going to your turn, Olivia.
Okay. Since they attacked me, I can't use that dodge. What can I do now? Because I'm pulled out. I'm still prone.
Yes.
You can get up.
I can get up.
That will be your action
Yeah.
for movement.
Yeah, that's fine.
You can still do something after that.
Also,
I just can't shoot. I just can't attack.
Also, look, if
Yes.
you want to roll in the thing, that'll help.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
What can I do?
Get up.
Well, I can get up, but can I still do something after that?
I'm getting hit by the phone.
What can't you do after getting up?
Let me see.
Can't you roll?
I have first aid. Can I heal? I'm kidding.
I mean,
I don't have anything on me, so even if I have first aid, I don't think I can actually heal myself.
Okay, you can. I would say you can. Okay, move action. An action that moves your agent a significant distance. Yeah, getting up means significant distance.
Yeah, because I'm prone.
Yeah, it is important. Prone. So you can get up.
Yeah, I don't have to roll to get up, do I?
You don't have to roll to get up.
Yeah, that's usually the case.
if you're moving super far,
All right, so you get up.
Well, no, because the thing is that when
If you
you're
try to make
prone-
double action, we're trying to do something acrobatic. You need to roll an excellent check.
or you're trying to throw something.
Yeah.
You do
I don't know what I would be doing that would be
What are you
acrobatic.
gonna do?
Maybe getting on top of the table.
She got up.
Yes.
Are you retreating? No, you just got up.
She's
That's
got
all.
up. Yeah.
Because that's the thing is that if when
But we shot at the one closest to us?
No, I
She
shot,
did, but she didn't do any significant damage.
I did
I
two
shot the
damage.
one in the tree.
The one that's in the tree is taking the most damage. It's take 18.
Yeah, 18 total.
Can I help her, like, as she gets up, can I, like, move her?
No.
Because it's kind of surrounding.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh, I just freaking Goku.
All right, what are you gonna do?
I am going, can I back up and shoot?
You can move back and shoot. Yeah.
Is that minus 20?
No.
Okay. I will move back and...
Which one are you shooting at? The one that
Shooting the
was
one
doing stuff to Olivia? Tentacle monsters.
Your favorite.
Right.
What?
I would...
All right, roll your hit.
Bro,
My
you
thing is-
literally had fucking PETA spring monsters last time. What fucking me?
I didn't design them, bro.
Yeah, so I will shoot at the one closest to us with my pistol.
Okay, roll to hit.
Alright. So it's under my firearms, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, under firearms.
70.
80. I got 16.
Roll for damage.
Oh yeah, also don't forget to deplete your ammo, because you know...
Count your ammos, yeah.
1d...
Oh, I lost one.
Dude, D10.
Oh, this is... Sorry, I was thinking the d12.
Because I've been
I got 9.
prone.
9 damage.
Yeah, you take a huge chunk of it.
We are really good with guns.
And
Jesus
so is that... Do I consider that one bullet, or is that, like, multiple bullets?
What do you mean?
Like, because I need to deplete my ammo. So that's just one...
Yeah. Well, what gun are you using?
Medium pistol.
So
Yeah, it's one bullet, yeah.
It's not like a burst. Not like a burst gun where you just use 2 shots.
All right, it's my turn now. Oh no, it's Vinny's turn.
Yeah!
Hold
Okay.
on. The beam is so funny. Beam.
Here, I'll wholly heal you. All right, don't worry. I got this. Just heal up real quick, you know.
All right, what do you do?
Fucking shoot that thing again.
Oh my God! Roll to hit.
Here's a chug.
Roll the hit. 28.
28.
28.
That hits.
Yes.
Roll for damage. Same thing that Olivia kind of it just like shoots grace. It's my turn. The first one that was attacking Olivia.
No.
You always go in that order, bro.
Yeah.
No,
We keep doing it. I'm trying to.
I moved back with Olivia, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can move.
No, you didn't move with her. You moved. She didn't move.
Back. Oh no,
You cannot. You cannot do that.
You can't shoot and.
You're wanting too much from this. You cannot do that.
So I'm like badass about
All right.
If anyone's been shooting down these things, it's me.
Yeah.
Put 3 bullets in one.
All right. I am going to regenerate.
Again.
Yeah. And the one in the middle is gonna again try to force.
Oh my god.
All right.
Everybody
give me a Constitution check.
He's using sleep powder again, guys.
Not again.
I succeed.
Oh, success.
Failure.
Yep.
7.
That's not good, bro.
Wait, does it affect Stan at all?
No.
Wait, does he need a roll?
He does. What's your Constitution?
55, I think.
Your plus 22 was the respirator.
Oh yeah.
So he's fine.
He's fine.
So
You get. Oh boy.
Oh boy, she gets stat effect.
You get an hour of dizziness. So minus 10 to all of your roll. And you are infected.
Where do I put
In your just put your just remember your minus 10 and remember
wounds and ailments.
Yeah, and yeah.
Alright, we should probably shoot the UV lights. No.
You're infected.
No.
Guys. You're infected with the growth.
The growth?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I'm straight up grown.
And by it, what?
Let's just say
There's no it.
It's my tree.
All right.
Okay, so 1 hour and what's the
growth?
What is your? Do you have any craft?
Me?
Yeah.
Go craft something, Stan. We're fucking dying.
Crafting table, boom.
Roll me a science check to see if you can make it.
Goddamn.
I'm trying to help you, bro. I'm trying to help you, bro. You can spend luck if you want, but I'm really trying to help you, bro.
I ain't trying, bro.
You can use
I'm eating churros.
All right, going to my turn now.
I'm the churro eater.
I'm gonna roll these. I'm gonna roll these three. To see which one is gonna go for.
D6.
You didn't even announce the numbers. You didn't even announce the numbers.
I failed. Oh my god.
Yes.
You're fine.
He just misses completely.
Second.
Whoa, these vines are just like me when I see a woman. Me when I see a black woman.
Oh boy. Second one is trying to attack.
Attack. Is it Olivia again?
Oh my god.
Wait, is that the one in the back?
Yes.
But that's the one that did the miss.
Yes. But
No, the one next to her missed. The one in the back succeeded. Well, first of all.
The one in the back is now trying to attack Olivia.
Oh no, I can't.
Wait, but what did he?
I can't. You guys are more than 10 feet away.
Yeah.
I can't. So I have to.
4 again?
Yeah. Well. Not 4 again.
Yeah,
No, actually, no, it's 4.
We're all more than 10. If you check, we're all more than 10 feet away.
Yeah.
It's 20, 20, 15.
So I can't.
Yeah.
Bitch!
Okay.
It's gonna move.
Okay. Oh, what the? Stan, what the fuck are you doing?
He just phased through the wall.
Stan,
All right.
are you Spider-Man?
He is gonna move towards you guys.
Okay.
Ooh, this is like good.
He just
They move really slow, so he's just gonna move 1 square forward, close. And the last one is gonna hit you.
Oh boy.
Jesus Christ! What are my rolls?
Did you miss again?
I missed again. All right.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
Oh, wait, it's his turn?
No, you have better decks.
No, what about you? I thought we were supposed
Oh
to.
yeah, I fucked up. I moved.
Oh, okay, so I'm going. Okay.
Olivia for the
It's not gonna matter because he failed his rolls anyway.
Just like you're feeling the hit.
Left a minute. I just realized I might have been fucking something up.
My job.
Oh no, I'm perfect.
The other side of this wall.
Okay. So.
Go search the fucking damn
Okay, 15 meters is my distance.
Yeah.
Which means I can technically still hit any of them.
Do you want to just with -10?
Okay, so I'm trying to think. I can either move away so that they're less likely to hit me.
Yes.
Huh.
Or I wonder, or I could shoot.
Olivia, I feel like
I've been too useless, so I feel like I should shoot something.
You did shoot something. Yeah, you should.
you looked at like a sodium chloride.
Different.
Huh.
But
You can move for free.
it's... Okay, so I'm
Unless
gonna
you
move
want to
back
double
a bit,
move.
and I'm gonna shoot still.
Okay, you're gonna.
Because it's
All right, move your opponent.
I'm gonna move back a bit. I think I'm still in enough range to hit any of them.
Oh, wait, I got it, wait, hold on, I got it.
So, okay, so there's one in front of me that's not taking enough. That hasn't taken
You
enough.
smoked.
This guy has not taken any damage.
Oh, because the amount of damage I did. Okay, we're gonna attempt again, even with a -10 to try and shoot.
What the fuck? All right, shoot it. Shoot it. Move
Wait,
first
hold on
and
a
then
second.
shoot.
1d10.
Roll for damage.
Okay, let me just subtract my ammo. Why is he losing his mind?
Because roll drop Peters is so like slowly cum all over the tokens. 4 points damage.
Imagine this image out of context.
No damage.
The one I
No
put in
dice. No dice.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
Galen, you're up now.
Okay. Alright,
Oh shit!
Also, your combat knife does some piercing damage.
Oh yeah.
alright.
It may be more effective against a fucking tree rather than a bullet, but I don't know. I digress.
I'm gonna continue moving back.
I forgot I had a knife.
Yeah.
I'm gonna continue moving back and shoot at the same one
Uh-huh.
that was closest to us.
All right, cool. Shoot.
Roll.
Now you
jinxed it. You jinxed it.
Sorry.
Yeah, I failed.
All right, it's Vinny's turn.
So I still move back though, yeah?
Yeah. The one in front of you is looking really bad in shape. It like most of the branches kind of falling off and is moving.
Kill!
Just now you can see hard.
It's not good, bro. All right, roll for it.
I fucking choked.
60.
It's a hit.
Yes.
Roll for damage.
2.
Yeah, that one just
No.
just grazing shots.
God damn.
Literally 4 damage. 4 damage below.
All right, it's my turn.
I'm gonna spend all my fucking ammo. I swear to God.
No, Olivia, see what I put in the Discord? Imagine that out of context. Like, you have no context whatsoever. Just some Chinese man next to a dude, and behind it says straight up Jordan. And let's just say, my megaloblata long penis.
All right, I already hit, but I want to see who I hit.
Oh boy.
Is it a 1 or a 2?
This is a cocked.
Oh.
It's a 3. Finally, something for a change.
Wait, is it like shooting at me?
No, it is
Whipping you.
like you know
Is it close enough?
you move away from the tree, like the barriers they made, right?
Yeah.
It's a part of it.
The barriers can still, that's why I was saying don't move too much because the barriers can still attack you.
I didn't hear you say that.
All right. Do you want to run away? Do you want to fight back? Do you want to escape? Do you want to just cry or shoot yourself in the head?
So it's attempting to grapple me, or is it attempting to do damage?
It's hitting you.
What's the thing to fight back?
You roll for your
you roll it.
melee.
You just roll your melee or unarmed combat.
Yeah, I rolled a 56 by the way.
Oh god!
So I can't even win.
No.
You can. What's your?
Oh yeah. Unarmed combat.
My melee weapon is 50.
So if you dodge,
Yeah.
or if you critical success, you can. But if you dodge, you have to just succeed. You can succeed lower than me. But so you cannot fight back because you have.
Unless you critical.
I'm going to dodge,
Or you can just do nothing and take the damage.
and then I have my next.
Two.
Okay, you know what? I'll do that.
All right. Ballsy move
I mean, my dodge is 30.
to a very ballsy character. I rolled 3 points of damage.
Okay. I don't have my armor.
All right.
Oh wait, you have your armor.
I don't have my armor. I didn't bring it.
Because he has the super heavy one that you cannot consume. He probably has it in his car, but you guys didn't take his car.
Yeah.
For me. All right, you take 3 points of damage.
Damage, you didn't have the armor, but I have armor? Actually,
You have Kevlar.
Remember, we came in as FBI agents.
So you should have armor.
Oh, So all of you guys, okay, tell me, do you guys have armor or not?
Yeah, bro. I'm more just wearing mine because DEA already has Kevlar armor.
Oh, cool. All right. So you guys have armor.
Wait, so do I take damage?
Is it my turn now?
Well, 3 you just negate it because it's only 3 points of damage.
Yeah. So
Wait, how much do I negate?
3 damage.
3.
Oh.
No.
All right. So now is the next one's turn. And now it can hit you. That's the only thing we can hit. Are you gonna dodge?
What's your dodge?
Fight back.
What's your dodge?
Okay, so my dodge is
You can take it.
hold on. My dodge is 50, but I have to subtract 10, so it's 40.
Yes. You can also use luck. Use your luck.
I'm gonna try and roll.
All right, dodging. All right.
I don't think I have enough.
That's a 90. I rolled a 59 and there's 60.
Nice.
I'm gonna see how many damage did I do to you. 4 points of damage.
I take 1.
Motherfucker.
So I'm an 8.
This is a fucking pillow fight. This is a pillow fight.
Yeah, him. Well, he got some good shots initially.
Dude, I think I'm just gonna punch you.
Dude,
I might have a better luck.
All right, last one. Gonna try to grapple you.
Grapple? Okay. Fuck it, I'm gonna fight back.
Don't worry about it. Roll 98. Still roll that. Yeah.
Fight back. Unarmed combat, 60.
Okay.
What? 19. Give me a D4. Someone.
You have a D4,
No,
no?
I don't have a D4.
Give him a D4.
Give him a D4. If I KO this thing by fucking punching it, I swear to God. 3 damage.
You rip some of it off. Like some of the twigs off. All right. Stanley.
Dude,
I would say you find stuff. All you need to do is make the damn stuff. Roll biology, roll science. God damn it, roll it. Jesus Christ. Okay, you make some kind of concoction that's both flammable and corrosive. All right. So if you want to just throw at it, you can. You can also try to ignite it.
I would like. What do I roll for?
Throwing it will be a.
No,
it's
don't even talk to me about.
It's like it's not the same. Well, you can spray on it and then you still roll. You still have to throw like a lighter to get it. So it's still a static check.
What?
Or you can give it to someone else.
Check,
You can give it to someone.
Athletics.
Yeah.
They're not so like it's covered.
Oh, so I just shoot it.
That's what I suggested, but he said no.
Oh, I thought you said shoot the UV light.
No, shoot the thing that's covering the UV
But
light.
what if I pierce through it and destroy that
Well,
light?
what if you critical fail? That's why you might do. But if you don't, what do you know what's gonna? Nobody knows what's gonna happen. All right. Newton.
Are we close enough to the UV lights to like run at it and rip the stuff off?
No, these are.
That will be recorded in athletic check.
Yes.
If I just like shake off the lights on the outside.
Huh? So
No. You want to keep the lights on. The UV lights are staying
Yeah,
away
it's
from the
already
UV light.
on. So
They're staying away from the UV.
The plant creatures are staying away from the UV light, but the plants grow faster with the UV light.
Oh, they go faster these days.
no.
No, they're
This is
staying
not
away
what you're
from
feeling.
it.
What you're feeling is that they're covering the UV light, which is the part they're not affected by the UV light. So that's why I said the bark tissues is covering
Because
the
they
UV
don't
lights.
want it to touch.
But the part where they cannot be covered, because there's gonna be some places going through, the creatures are moving away from it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So yeah.
Jesus, what? Am I not speaking English?
Okay, literally, well, you told me on the file.
On the file, it said that they grow faster in UV light.
Yeah.
Isn't that what I described?
If
Yeah,
it
that's what
grows
you said.
faster in UV light, it's more dangerous.
But no.
They go faster. Why do they want to be away from it?
So right now, the UV lights are covered
Yes.
by what?
By bark
By
tissue
bark
that grew
tissues.
over it.
That you assume growing faster because of the UV light.
Yeah.
But you also see there are the stuff that's attacking you that's not necessarily only plants moving away from the UV light. Does that make sense?
So these plant creatures are not the same thing as the bark that's growing over the tree. They're different.
And they hate light.
Yeah.
Or the UV
So the
light.
plant creatures that are, like you said, they're not fully plant creatures, right? So it's actually different from the plants that like the UV light.
Does that make sense?
They're like plant minions that hate the UV light, and then the actual plant likes the UV light.
That makes sense.
All right, you know what? Just pour the liquid on yourself.
Roll a 70-year-old for
So it's like two different entities.
There are different stages for stuff.
Okay.
Obviously. So.
Yeah. There you go.
All right. What do you want to do?
Am I close enough to the UV lights?
It takes you a solid check to even get there because of the
But
planet
you can
walking away.
try shooting.
You can try
I could
shooting.
try shooting it. Okay.
What's your firearm? Straight up.
Firearms is
40 now.
Well, 30 now. It's 30 now.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Straight up Jordan. You Jordan.
What do you want to?
Okay, so I can either make the athletics check will take. The athletics check takes me like two, basically. If I use an athletics check to get over there, and then it would take like a strength check to pull the bark off.
Yes.
Okay.
What just that?
It'd be better to just straight up shoot it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go for that.
He's like,
I'm gonna try and shoot it.
I'm feeling to throw it away.
93.
33 and a half.
That's okay. Have you rolled anything underneath 90 for the past few rounds?
Yes, I rolled the last. I rolled twice to shoot it, and I shot it both times, but the damage I dealt wasn't enough.
I know. All right, going to you, Galen.
Everything else
All right.
I failed.
You hear Dr. Druid say, "Guys, I've made it."
Finally, Jesus. And then so I will. So these black lights. Are they above us or are they on the side?
Above you.
They are among us.
Mungus.
So if I roll an athletics check to try to take the, am I like jumping up to like take it off? Is that essentially what
You're basically, you have to like, just imagine it's like a jungle and stuff.
Yeah.
You have to like climb up through some of the trees, and that's why the athletics check, and you need a strength check to grab it.
Are those two separate actions?
Yes.
Okay. In that case, I'm gonna try shooting them.
Okay.
Shooting at the bark, not
You
the
can
light.
make it.
Yeah. You are marksman.
Dude, you're gonna jinx me, bro.
I'm trying not to jinx you like I did last
Okay,
time.
so it's my firearm, right?
Yes.
You're definitely not going to
35.
reverse psychology.
You shoot, and you don't even bother rolling for damage. You just shoot it, and it just the impacts of the bullets just boom hit that takes a huge chunk of the branch that was covering it down, and it's fall down, and the UV lights are now one of the UV lights are exposed, and it was shining on the on these creatures, and you guys are in the middle of the fight, so you can see the bioluminescence actually. The frequency increases, but the intensity decreases, and you can see it as if it feels the pain. It's shriveling, and it's gonna take some damage.
I thought I liked it.
No, not the plant creatures. The tree.
The bark things likes the UV light.
Yeah,
The bark.
but at instance, the regeneration of the tree isn't happening, obviously. But dude, what are you confused about? There's trees and there's tree monsters that you're fighting.
Yeah.
Monsters hate the light. Trees look like the light.
If you look back at the document, it was talking about fungi.
Yeah, and these are plant dudes.
These are not fungi.
Alright, I'm gonna roll.
I understand why you're confused, Dan, but like also.
Okay, that just deals 3 damage.
Fucking
1 damage.
UV. Bless you.
No, that was a hiccup.
You're welcome.
Red beam.
Alright.
Fire.
That's critical success.
Yeah.
Straight up 10 points of damage.
Dude.
You just feel like something you did just boom, and it just shrivels and like you can see decay with your eyes, and it just goes from like bright green and like the luminescence just disappears, and it just shrivels and decays and dies.
Yeah, play the Final Fantasy victory feat. Yeah, so that creature.
Bonk.
Yay, one.
Only take you guys like 4 rounds.
It only took. Wait, how much ammo did it take? It only took 5 ammunition.
You might want to reload soon, right? You still have like. Yeah, you shot the gun. You didn't hit it. You
I'm
shot-
just double checking.
15 ammo, so
Yeah.
I have 10.
So the 2 remaining is gonna
Yeah.
I'm hitting and I hit, but who do I hit?
Oh boy.
All right, 6.
Yeah.
It's
It's not me.
all right. You already took your action this time, so you can't even dodge.
You're gonna miss again for the 3rd time in a row.
No, I already hit you. It was a 58 under 60.
Okay. Okay.
1 point of damage.
No damage.
Fucking hell.
No damage. I'm armored.
Second one is gonna do the same. I'm gonna see who I hit first. Olivia. I missed. Okay. Cool. Stan.
Sam, what will you do?
Take this home.
Oh, frick my block.
My legs is 50,
By the way,
but
do you
it's
want to
track
set it on a
tennis.
fire? Is that what your intention is? Because
Because
you haven't explored all the greenhouse yet. You don't know if there's
I
stuff.
don't know if I want to set it on fire.
I feel like it would make sense to just set everything on fire.
Yeah, you don't want to set it on fire?
Like, if you just set everything on fire, that solves the problem.
You also lose evidence.
For what? You don't want them to have the evidence anyways.
Yeah, we don't want anyone to have this. We don't want them alive. Honestly, if Luis dies, no. After this, we're gonna have a violent embrace.
I'm closer to dying.
So what do you want to do? That's free action. I don't think you gonna.
Okay,
Why did I make this potion?
Just set stuff on fire. What?
it's flammable and
So
corrosive.
wait, so the action of setting stuff on fire, that's an action?
That's an action. All right.
Set the thing on fire.
Roll athletics check.
To throw it. Or is it just to set the thing on fire?
Wait, what's your athletics?
It's low.
What is it?
Was it next 30?
30.
Do you want me?
Yeah, I kind of want to. Can I can
Yeah, just pass
Yeah, you can hand it
just
to
pass
me.
it to me. I'll do my.
That will be your action though. Yeah.
Okay, pass the Galen.
All right. You have
Galen
now
has to
this
talk.
comically was like a sign of like the
It says boom.
skeleton on top of it. The skeleton on top of it. And there's like green. Neon green. It's bubbly.
It's an Erlenmeyer.
I'm like, Jude, what is this? And he's like, it go boom boom. It's Chinese accent.
All right. Olivia, your turn.
Okay, so question is.
There's two more.
If I'm gonna throw the boom boom, you probably want to get away.
I'm directly in front of you, so yes.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you throwing
the way out?
I'm throwing it.
It's far away from your party as possible.
I'm gonna move back, but I'm gonna attempt to shoot again. Because yes.
All right, shoot away. I'm not having some good luck with it.
Actually, wait. If he's gonna throw that, maybe I shouldn't shoot it because that's a waste of ammo.
Yeah, I would try to get.
Double action out of there, Olivia.
Yeah, except Stan's blocking the entrance.
I think you can move.
No, that's fine. Like, you can move that way.
Yeah, I'll just move back.
And then hold, or you wanna? You can also hold.
I can hold.
All right.
Hold what was holding?
Hold basically means that if.
Oh, that means you cannot move.
Hold means you can't move. But
Hold
trying
means
to
you're
move
taking
back.
the turn.
Okay, so then I will hold to dodge if need be if the explosion's big enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, so you're not moving back?
No, I can't move back from moving.
But why are you holding?
Because I don't have anything else to do with my action.
Wait, why don't you move back?
Why don't you move?
Because,
We're gonna order more.
Should we order food?
We should probably.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Is
So-
it my turn?
No, it's mine.
It's Galen's turn. Yes.
I will throw the glore.
The glore.
Give me athletic. You're gonna set on
Like,
fire. All right. Cool.
chill.
It's a plant. It can
Fireball.
yeah. And then you.
Oh, it's something I like stick down on.
No, you just
Oh yeah.
home.
Critical
And I
success.
suppose you throwing your lighter with it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I'm like,
Pow!
I like throw it and then.
So you do that. Which one are you trying to hit? The one in the back?
You know what? Since that one's taking the least damage, right?
That's taking no damage.
Yeah. So I'll.
Wait. This guy took no damage.
Yeah, the guy on the.
Well,
damage.
this guy took some damage from the light.
Oh, that's the one that took damage from the light.
Well, no, all of them.
All of them took damage from the light.
But like
No, but none of us attacked that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, none of us have attacked that one.
Should I try to deal a lot of damage to that guy, or should I try just finishing off the one guy?
Look, I don't know. I had sunk cost fallacy on mine. I'm gonna be real with you.
What do you guys think?
Also, they're all intertwined, so.
Like they'll.
Okay. Roll for 1d6 fire damage.
Is there burn status effect or something?
Yeah.
Whoa!
6, so it's gonna keep. Well, you can keep rolling that every turn.
Okay.
Yeah. So it just takes 6 points damage.
What's the Tiki thing from Nintendo? Banjo?
All right, Vinny, your turn. You see this guy's head on fire, and you feel like the heat.
Wait a minute. I just remembered. The fungi reacted to.
There's also a fire.
That's why I was. Oh my god! I was gonna say to turn the fire. I was gonna say turn the fire system off, so it looks like there was like an accidental fire inside.
I spent 3 rounds making.
When he could have turned off the fires instead. Yeah.
Do I just get the fuck out of there and try to turn off the fire system?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, I'm gonna double action.
Or you can find if you can turn it off in here.
Okay. What is that? An athletics or
It
a
would be shooting.
You probably won't be able to. Well, you can shoot
try
at.
and shoot. If it's visible, you can shoot any of the sprinklers.
And then set it up manually by shooting at it. What are you trying to do?
Destroy the sprinkler?
But then there's just water.
Or just water.
Yeah.
Then it's just gonna be more concentrated water.
Yeah, you can try to get out and.
Let's just get out.
Okay.
I have demolitions. I'll just blow it up from the outside.
What? Whoa.
That's an escalation. You know what UC stands for in UC Davis, right? Demolition.
Alright, what do you. Did you order?
I think I'm gonna double action and get the fuck up.
Alright, I'm gonna move your pump off the map for now.
Okay. And then.
No, we're fine. It's my you already deal damage to me, right? And then you kind of see the fire spread. So the one who got hit is not gonna do anything because it's burned. And the one next to it, who I'm gonna see why. I rolled a 6. I assume that's Dr. Drew because Vinny left.
Yeah.
Is it too far away though?
He's near the barrier. Remember?
Well, look where he is on the map.
Yeah, he's near the barrier.
Oh, right, yeah, the barrier. Yeah.
And I'm not there.
Stan, do you want to dodge or do you want to fight back? Do you want to do anything? Yes.
Yeah, because you're close to the wall now. Because you moved to give the concoction to Galen.
Yeah. What do you have in dodge?
Basic area.
What do you have in fight back?
Why not go?
Oh, there's bigger chance for you to fight back. Right.
Yes.
Yeah. So do you want to just not do anything?
Yeah.
All right. I rolled a 11.
Oh.
It's critical success.
6 points of damage.
I take 3.
Oh, I have a modifier on it.
Oh boy. It's like poison or something.
+1, so 7 points of damage.
So 4.
4 points of damage.
So you and I probably.
So you got slapped in the face by the giant tree dick.
I like a potion and I got fucking.
Yeah. All right. Your
Okay.
Stan, your turn.
Aye.
I mean, okay, so.
Oh, I know this song.
No, wait.
Can I go? I can go that far, right?
It's Bloodborne, so you probably do.
Wait.
Is this
Can Stan get the fuck out like I have?
Yeah. Well, can you? What's your low athletics?
Can you? Do you check for it?
If you fail it, you're probably not gonna get all the way out.
But you're gonna.
Oh
no.
Yeah, you don't get all the way out.
Let's say.
There's like veins intertwining on the floor, so you might be like tripping, trying to regain your balance. So you were like
I
stop.
feel like
stop.
he makes it to his previous lab.
Your turn now.
He makes it to the lab probably.
So I could probably. So this is the thing. There's not really a lot for me to do. I can maybe shoot.
The fire is spreading, by the way. The fire is now spreading.
Yeah, so I should probably run.
All right. You dash to the door.
Them.
Yeah. Give me a second. Cause it's the bonus.
There's some. 2.
Great. you can.
Yeah, I'm trying to move. Hold on, give me a second.
I got you. You actually go past him.
$24.
That's not. Is that past him?
Yeah.
Would I make it all the way out? Wait.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Must be a big.
Dude, just get Pen Express. It was cheaper and all the food. Your turn.
Would I get all the way out or no?
No, because the first in.
Wait, how did Vinny get all the way out then?
Because he's over there. He's closer to the door than you.
Oh, makes sense.
Okay, so I'm also gonna head out.
You're gonna keep shooting at it, right? To make sure the fire kills.
What do you guys think?
Well, I'm outside. I'm probably gonna try to.
You guys are on the way out, right?
Is that what your character?
Yeah, sync with your character.
He is willing to go above and beyond to prove himself.
You can eat here if you want. I mean, I'm gonna be here.
Okay,
I'm probably gonna go as quick as I can.
Oh, then you. Right. Yeah.
I'll shoot at the one closest to me.
Okay. Roll for damage. Yeah, no. You guys have done a lot of damage to all of them, by the way.
Yeah.
Now it's Vinny's turn. He's probably outside.
Okay, look for the fire system.
Yeah.
We know where it was. Remember where everybody
Yeah.
was looking at it?
Do you have anything in? What do you think the check would be to turn off that? Quickly, not like
To get there?
No, not get there. I would say you would get there, but like next turn you would try to turn it off.
Persuaded to turn off.
Intelligence.
Yeah.
Intelligence roll next turn. You're literally your intelligence times 12.
Not power.
Intelligence. Okay.
All right. Oh, you can roll it next round. Yeah.
Intelligence. Oh wait.
All right. So now I'm gonna roll for damage for both of them because the second one also caught fire now. You see the fire spreading. The first one that you hit takes another 6 points of damage. God damn. Why am I rolling high for these, bro?
Look at the late.
Yeah.
You have not killed them just yet. You have. You have killed this one.
The far.
No, the middle one. The one that's been hitting you relentless.
Oh, God.
It just sets on fire because it was so fucked up from all the shit, and UV lights. So it was just, it's unnatural the way how they dissipate. It's not like you see like they when plants catch a fire, they kind of slowly burns. Things are both decay and setting on fire. They burn like papers. They just
they
disappear, boom. And you kind of can see if you look closer, the black spores are also kind of like disappearing.
Oh, so they're like embers in the.
Yeah, and it just like you kind of see seeing mist around, and now it's like clearing out. But the smoke from the plants is replacing the black spores. So it'll be Stan's turn. Do you want to just get out? Now he gets out of the room, and new turn now, Olivia. You see, there's still one plant that's still surviving and still trying to block you guys. You can see the plants around is trying to is growing rapidly, trying to block off your way out of the trees that was blocking the lights. The Galen kind of shut off is growing almost completely back already.
Okay.
What you do? Do you just want to get out of there and leave your comrades behind like a bitch?
No, I wouldn't do that.
She's gonna.
Iris do.
Well, she's probably scared as hell because
She basically got molested by the last monster.
But she also wouldn't leave anybody behind.
Yeah.
So
Vietnam.
she would probably. Okay, so it's either.
Fire.
So this is the thing: is that it's either there's two options I have. If I don't want to get locked in, I can maybe go for unarmed combat.
What are these buttons?
oh, you're trying to like just cut them.
So this is the thing: we have two options here.
Shut up.
Either I shoot the bark that's starting to cover the light again,
Or you can try to kill the remaining creature.
or
There's a penalty.
I'm too far from it.
Yeah, too far from it. It was close.
But I could try. It's either I shoot for the light, or I literally hack at the thing that's covering the door.
Okay.
Probably gonna hack at what's covering the door.
Yeah, because you want to keep the door clear.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
You've got gonorrhea.
So that would be.
By the way, Vinny.
Yeah.
I don't think you disinfect yourself when you left the building, did you?
What do you mean?
You're supposed to disinfect.
Did you disinfect yourself when you dashed out of the doors?
Where the fuck was the disinfecting station?
Literally the chamber where you find all the PPEs?
I mean, he went through it, so.
So you didn't disinfect it?
Probably not. Just went through it.
Okay. Alright.
I mean, I'm the only one who's infected, so this has to be. This is a 20.
Okay.
Come on, Olivia.
Come on, Olivia. That's a 75. You were making progress of ripping stuff apart, but you realize this is like the smaller veins as it's growing rapidly. Right. Galen.
Yeah. I'll take a shot at that last one, I guess.
Yeah.
To burn him. Or actually, so this vine wall's still here, this like green line. Can I back up behind it and shoot?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, there's a penalty because it's covered now.
Oh, that
Yeah.
going through? What do you guys think?
Minus 10.
So 70 to shoot.
Alright, you can do that.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, you can do that.
Same.
All right.
I'll roll for name.
Roll for. I'm doing math right now. Not yet. You will probably think the fire can do the job.
Are they connected to the monster?
The remaining monster, yes.
Okay.
So I don't know which one to see.
What I know is that the remaining monster dies, it will go away.
Do you
I
think?
know that?
Do you think? Well, it's connected to something.
Yeah.
One of the monsters, but it's so intertwined. You can't tell if it's connected to the one that you fought, the
Or
one
the
just
one that's
fighting,
hiding.
or there's some more in there.
Okay, so
You wouldn't know. You literally would not know.
That's why I was asking. That's why I was asking instead of saying like, is it the one? It's like, would I know that?
And
Neat.
roll for intelligence.
Okay. I have to roll below a 75.
That's not bad.
Much neat. Get it.
No, you're not gonna succeed. Well, let's go. W.
You so many buttons, and you see the big red one calls stop. And then he just punches that, and then and the fire alarm, like the alarm kind of goes off because you disabled the fire. They disable like the sprinkler system. So and on the screen, it says sprinkler system down, reinitiating. And then there's like a bum, like there's buffering a bar underneath
For
it.
how long it will take to reinitiate?
The bar just shows. It seems like you can turn it off for now to avoid the immediate effects of it killing the fire. But if you want to like disable it, there's more you need to do.
Oops.
All right.
That's not what I wanted to do. Well, time to affect the keyboard.
The last.
All
Right, my turn now. The remaining guy is too far away from, so it's trying to regenerate. What's the face?
It also takes damage too, right?
He dies.
But as Olivia noted before, the veins are still growing towards you guys.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
The vines are still there.
And the tendrils underneath it, like snakes, is reaching towards you.
Me?
Yes.
I
I rolled a critical fail, so don't even bother.
It actually just envelopes itself.
Well, I think I know
That's
where
the
this
end
is
of my
going.
turn. Yeah, I've been failing a lot of the rolls recently. Start of your turn now.
Around. Yeah.
You
Wait,
can.
what about Stan?
He stands outside, trying to help him, probably,
You
right?
want to disinfect
Wait, how did he
first.
get out? Wasn't he behind me?
Well, he took his turn to get out.
Oh.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Oh,
'Cause he
right.
was
'cause
shooting
I,
at it,
yeah,
yeah.
I no, I didn't.
No,
shoot
you're
at
trying
it.
to hack at it.
I've been trying to hack at it.
Yeah, because you want to make sure everybody else get out. Because she was noble. That's why she died.
I'm dead. Okay,
Oh,
so
for now.
I'm
My
going
dear
to
American.
shove my
Oh,
combat
no.
knife back in its sheath and just try and rip the shit out of it.
Yeah, then
Unarmed combat?
Strength check.
Unarmed combat
You'll
or
disinfect.
a strength or
Yeah.
unarmed combat?
You can still have your respirator on, I think.
Yeah.
Wait, strength or unarmed
Strength.
combat? Oh shit. Okay, that would be a 45.
I'll go roll against you. You kind of stop it a little bit. It's probably you
Slow it down.
slow it down a little bit, but not fully. But you can probably still get out. Like you can hold the door
I was
open.
like- I need help.
All right, dealing your turn.
Okay.
Oh, this guy.
I will.
Cross needs some help over here.
I will do that.
He can aid. Or you could have just waited for him
Can I
to
do
aid
anything
you.
with a demolition roll?
This is what you see later. There's one. All right, what do you
There's
do?
another one.
Well, technically, yes. It's just hidden.
Yeah, what do you do?
Um.
Except from shooting it with the
So
keys.
can I roll for demolition and see if there's anything I can do to help speed up
The fire?
Yes.
Who's moving me?
Oh, it was a rocket.
90.
90. That's
Okay,
enough.
so in that case,
At that instant, you don't see anything that can aid you on
yeah.
spreading fire faster.
In that case, I'm just gonna move back to Iris.
And help.
So what's she doing with
She's
that?
trying
I'm
to.
trying to keep the door open because the vines are trying to cover the door. And I tried with a knife, failed. Tried with my hands, failed.
Okay, then I'm gonna go. Okay, is my action just going over to the door? Tonight?
No, you can. That's a free action.
Okay, going over to the door, and then I will try to cut through the vine.
Yeah, so that would be a melee, yes. Because you're trying. So this is the difference here.
Yeah.
You're trying to rip open the plant that's overgrowing. We're trying to cut at the remaining monster, who just tries to grab her and is also trying to block the door at the same time.
So we're not able to get through the door.
Not really.
Okay. I will just cut through the plant that's there. That's growing.
Yeah, that will just be a strength check.
A strength check. Okay. I'll do that. 40. I succeed.
Succeeds.
Okay.
So now the doorway is cleared.
Okay.
But the fire you're seeing is not reaching to the other side of the room yet. Wait, can I put fire effects on this to signify where the fire is?
You can.
I don't know if they'll last, but
There should probably be something.
Gotta be something. You gotta burn.
well, it doesn't stay there. You have to hold it.
Yeah.
Whee! Oh, I hear that. Magic in me.
Can I cover the entire space?
Gay explosion.
All right. Let's finish this
There we
combat.
go.
All right. So now it's Vinny's turn.
Yeah.
You trying to disable the system. Do you have any electrician stuff? You mean nothing intelligent?
37.
Make it?
Yeah.
All right. You find exactly what you need to do to disable it. Not permanently. You know exactly what to do to disable it. The buffering tube is still going, and it's like at the 15% right now.
Up, down, left.
All right. The last creature I can control's turn is going to try to stop you guys from leaving. So it's going to try to entangle you. 1 to 4 is 1 to 3 is Olivia. 4 to 6 is Galen. So 1. Live.
Huh?
You gonna dodge that?
Liv, are you gonna live?
We believe in you.
Did I take damage earlier?
Nah.
I'm at 8 right now. I don't think I've taken any more damage.
I'm not trying to do damage to you. I'm trying to ping you.
You're not gonna make it. She's not gonna roll properly.
Thanks. I got an 86.
It's supposed to work.
It only works
What's
when
your
I do
dodge?
it.
My dodge is 80 minus 10, 70.
You might want to spend some luck on that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it will like trap me and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
In a flaming room was.
Oh yeah, and the flame is spreading.
Do you want to spend luck?
It would cost me 16 luck.
Or yeah?
It replenishes.
Yeah. It will
By
replenish.
1d10.
Huh?
1d10.
1d10?
It will replenish.
Do you
So
want
you
to?
get 10 back,
Yes.
potentially.
All right.
Like,
You're gonna do it because if you stay, you should spend luck on that. Okay, so 40 minus 16 is 24.
What?
Yes, 40
Yeah,
minus
yeah,
16 is 24.
All right.
Now it's the
Stan, you can try to help Louise.
Have you seen the dark?
Yeah. Give me a intelligence check.
Go ahead, Stan. Be smart.
No, you can. If you want to roleplay a little bit too, if you want.
The two of them.
Dr. Zhu, I'm Brent Man, button mashing all this shit.
Let's start button mashing.
Intelligently.
Make educated button mashing.
Thank you, I succeeded.
Succeed, and then you turn off the fire system.
Yay! Okay, should we go disinfect ourselves?
It's the end of. Oh, I forgot to do fire damage on myself. For a whopping. The top of turn 1, the last turn probably. What are you guys gonna do?
Get out.
Get out.
Get out!
Is everybody leaving it?
I'm booking it.
All right, everybody's booking it. And
Booking it to the disinfected room because I'm not
disinfected room.
feeling well.
and you guys are leaving the room. Maybe you're coughing and kind of still feeling dizzy, running out of it. Even though it's taking us 2 hours, it happens in like the span of a couple minutes in game time. And as you guys are leaving the room, you close the door it's still trying to stop the door from opening, from closing. So it was you do a little tug war. But because Agent Graham has such a high strength, it managed to close the door and lock it. And you can still hear the sizzling. The fire you hear is growing louder and louder inside of it. And you hear this screeching sound maybe that you didn't hear from the previous other plants that you guys fought. And then the spore, and then you can't really see inside of it because the door is closed. You take down your PPE, you scrub yourself off maybe. And I'm gonna keep rolling to see how long it takes to die. Yeah, a couple minutes. You assume that it's gonna turn everything to dust. But as you guys have an incredible issue at hand right now, you just set one of the UC Davis greenhouse.
This is on fire.
And you can, if you guys the annex from the window of the annex, you can kind of see that the fire is spreading to the top of the building because the greenhouse is plastic in nature. That was covered in plastic in nature, and it's literally it's kind of melting now with how hot it is. Well, obviously not in the next few minutes. You guys spend time to disinfect yourself and stuff, right?
Yeah, we're disinfecting, right?
Yes.
And you assume that because the door is open for like the two doors are open at a second for the disinfecting chamber.
Yeah.
So you're not for certain if the black spores are spread to the annex. What do you do?
Okay.
And the fire alarm is the wing, wing, wing in the.
So we need to first of all get the fire out now.
Do we?
Well, if we don't want to get it out, we need to get the hell out of Dodge. Because how are you exactly going to explain FBI agents setting a greenhouse on fire?
Forensics and demolition is your good friend. Asking any of these guys who played in our last campaign, what they did was setting shit on fire and blaming on other people.
My character set 2 houses on fire.
He's a firefighter. He's a firefighter.
Well, that's what firefighters do.
They don't set things on fire.
Yes, they do. They set things on fire so that they can keep their job.
Yeah, so I will let you guys roll forensics, demolition, to come up with an explanation.
Demolition. I have no demolition.
I will let you roll a science to see maybe because when you got there, it was unsafe. There's all kinds of open chemicals.
Roll forensics.
18.
Yeah. So
I can roll something, but I got nothing.
So the immediate effect is that you guys are outside of the building.
Yeah.
Now, all scrubbed off. Do you want the annex to burn as well, or do you only want the?
So where's the annex again? Remind me.
Was what we were just
connected? Yes.
Oh, is that the little building?
Yeah.
Or do you want to fix the filtration, the HVAC, so that there's no black spores that might be contaminating people?
How the hell are we gonna fix the HVAC?
No.
Can we turn the fire?
Oh, the
system
the HVAC for the annex is working.
Can we turn the fire system back on? And the HVAC system won't help.
It helps with quarantine.
It helps with the quarantine. It won't help with the fire.
Maybe it'll make it worse because it's a fan.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Because it will provide. Also, I'm really bad in forensics. I have 0 in forensics and demolition.
All right, what do you guys want to do? Give me rolls to see if you guys can come up with a story to deal with the officials.
Okay, forensics roll. Go.
Well, you already make it.
You got an 18.
Yeah. He already.
I have 0.
Well, you made it?
No, I failed.
I have 0 in both, and I'm already at -10.
So you cannot do that.
I rolled 27 for demolitions.
Did you get it?
My 40.
You got it?
Yeah, you got it.
All right. So but no forensics, right?
No.
But with a successful demolition and a science roll, you guys managed to come up with a story. So as you guys are, gathering yourselves, there's some of you might have like burnt eyebrows. Some of you are hurt.
The tips of
Like
my
some of you are
hairs.
hurt. Some of you are completely fine. And you guys are walking out of it, and you see like 2 Davis fire engines. Wee. Is that what fire engines? And then they drive up, and then they see you guys with the FBI vests on, and I'm not sure if Galen, Vinny, Olivia, and Stan can come up with a story, but I'm sure your characters can come up with a story. And you know that you're going to be having a lot of paperwork to deal with. But for now, it seems like the threat has been contained. And with the 2 successful rolls, you guys done it. You cleared the threat that seems to be on campus.
Yeah.
And who's down on hit points?
I have nothing.
Who can do some first aid? You might want to go see a doctor.
Yeah. Might want to go.
I have first aid though, 60.
I have base 10. I just base 10 first aid.
Get yourself together.
You just slapped me across the face like that just made me.
Almost critical fail.
I could roll a 20 to see if my first aid works.
Can I use my
Nope, that's a 36.
first responder medical kit?
Yeah.
I get a plus 20 to a first aid roll.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I should do that.
14.
14.
All right. So you heal 1d4 damage.
1d4. Oh yeah. Yeah, I stole it because I punched the plant monster. It did more damage than 2 of my bullets combined.
It's a lot.
I just scored 2 HP.
Yeah.
So you
Not so.
do you do anything to yourself to help yourself?
That's what he did.
Are you gonna help her?
No.
Yeah,
Oh. He sounds so reluctant.
Yeah, sure.
I did not help her.
So I can tell you that Agent
I just said flat
Agent
foot.
Iris is coughing.
No. We're not going to just any hospital. No. Like, we're going to a black site.
Oh,
A what?
A black site.
How the
So
hell is there a medical black
I don't
site?
need to know why I wrote this, but
Yeah. Oh.
yeah. So yeah, seems like you need to seek some professional help to get rid of whatever you inhaled, and we will see you next time.
Per usual, I'm coming out the most damaged.
From a scenario that I designed to teach you how to play combat, that is not supposed to kill any of you, she came out infected.
She came out infected and with nearly half her health.
No, I 3/4 of my health.
I honestly don't know what to say.
I probably should have prefaced coming in that I have a history of constantly being attacked, and it's not even like oh, I'm getting chosen to be attacked. It's just every single time somebody rolls, I always get attacked.
So since you guys fought it already, I'm going to tell you about their stats. It has 20 HP,
Okay.
but it's